Momiama lovely mrem me patron.
Na mami busa Ben asema ko Ben.
Yes, yes.
Let's be honest, yeah. Ukraine. Do you think say a year na say what went there no? Kama Akosua te honoma, what would have happened to her? Maybe so. Do you think say a kuti any tribute ni de mami ikro be?
No. What's the question?
Mami tie ye ya se a.
Mami no. Sani anka 1 week ni ko ye na problem bi amma no. Sanka na asundwe ko ho na kom ko ye na. Anka bibi ansi.
Inti mami na nkwa ye ni because na asundwe ni ho na wankwa ye mo bia emfa fonso bia mami.
But we dey me patrol enya se me de
no. Enya injunction ni amanyama na ko so a. Inti makase because of the issue was there. Inti na mama me na anye dey. And pay for betimi abama resolve answer na ye na ba.
They didn't.
That's it. Ebuzapenyi na so.
Dabi nipa na ma no because listen, me dey no kro wa mo mi ka o.
But you go be kutia.
But you
na kuti e course we ye ya se fe Odo Bronii Tubi to kra na ka ma me ye ya.
Dabi na ma me ba cho me ba airport no so ma ko fa ayi fo so ko fa ma me odi amana ma ho. Senka enya
ena me ye na se na wo kan na event ye ye ase na wo kan ye na se na make it's not about do mu ye we chiri na make
because it has escalated no obi a ye na me pa cho na so what you must say
airport it's wo kan step by step.
And na make sure say many of them may chiro say tanka mama ne yana ju so beba yini bia en campaign fo bi so be tu sa de no ho na mo
ba Mr. Ben
what you say
Mr. Ben
Tubi
pa cho mama me mo ha kaka me pa cho o de anka me lande aka tell say sa ai me say ye invite one san wa ba but ye invite no ba
book no mu ye no de mama ne ko share
come on manya ne
tribute book now no.
No, me pass what book na gasa. Have you look at it?
Oh, please, no, please. Me hear book no.
So please.
No, I'm asking a question. Say, Maame no, Maame na
So do you want her to come and so no more disrespecting? He said, "Don't disrespect."
No, Mama.
That's what you are implying, sir. Or don't you she should take every disrespect that everybody to her.
But I
go and look before you talk. I think
no. So I'm asking you a question. What's her name at
the last page? That's where they put her.
But say grata no so.
Ni picture ba ko no Odo Bronii man the whole page.
And sometimes I think say o kasi enye fair no. Eya o maame ananka obusuani do you want her to be disrespect the way obusuapani kwa ko gina duty be say the marriage certificate was fake. Oh na passport na em kura ntumi amprove say you fake.
Abusuafo ayene ne mama ne mama ntukodi na
she did the due diligence one. I think so no your yere to me making a meaningful choice ben kola ne de you know what they are their father
me say ni dimba omo inviting ne man ni dimba we ne so no o say adenti na omo edi ni din ya shim iti no mo mpene so nti so mo ye book no ama mane enough space because omudi ni din ka
because they didn't invite her. Abusuapani said this was a picture once and wa be which means that she wasn't invited.
No, inviting.
Didn't see into Abusuapani
exactly. Intika who said there was mass war. Inti said you can and there's some out issues.
I accept that.
So why did not try the issues? No, that's what I'm saying.
Wasn't in agreement.
So one for the issue Maame no aden wama because there was an issue there. Want me metra mo bi be.
Some me kind am someone to say me pa kire say na gese komo trash issues no na ono so ba. At the end of the day, Miss Hanya man, I want to me, no. And I cover something winning about, and I want a cover by any way, cover by any brow. I was a penny cover
by you know, was a penny.
Bema, my catcher was a platform was you near a Dahua Yatin, near Kamas and
who can say cover by any wire. Now, cover by any wire, say if you're a baby.
masa abusuapanyin sɛ ɔkɔfrɛ obi asew tie asɛm na yɛ ka no mpatwa nyabotre abusuapanyin kɔfrɛ obi asew no that was the genesis of the whole thing
na wunu sɛ ko sɛ wa na yɛ yira ɛna sɛ gofro bi asew
masa de asɛm na wo kan onya you are like
PM on say adiyesi was so aye peace ba wuti kase ma say eye back and front yeah movie forward that asem yes ebusuapanyin or accepting a mistake waba wasi okay mami enuni na nkambom she sisters 2 year ye mami mom beka said yo ye ni we no. She's the like legal wife Maame Akosua Serwaa, but wakasa ma a Thomas uneche say omo legal wives no utumu se sebi imbinum wo hɔ a enyomu na sebi omo adwen no wo fom imbinum wo nyansa pa okasa ye ayame de kasa no de ba utumu se wakasa.
Even the way you are making your statement, it seems you are already insulting people to start with.
No. You listen to what I say.
No, your argument now making. I think that's what causes the initial and platform. It's the way you make. I think that started everything. No, I think it's the way you talk. Already, I didn't mean to starting what platform is so.
Me pacho said the American no tie the American na be wasum ye na tie the American
no because what you are saying is even an insult
wife ba asema waka ye no waka asem ama mehu the first time mehu so be a wo legal wife waka asema waka no kre udoka ye ne nyansa wo mu papa we twa ha that means say enyo obia no wo legal wife or pen tokwa say sebi na adwin wo from our pen tokwa. That is what the comment I said. That is what I said. Enyo onka omo ba omo just say they come blindly omo ba attacking nipa or making fat dear watch wrong no wohu wachre so ye mature wakan semti no say na ukranya na make up PMs like ye they call back and front ebusuapanyin asem etwemako wanya rimpoma what is the next step? What is the next step? Na ye stand for fast we ye say ya solution. I think said the fact the topic of the day they say and then the yama peace aba. Eti ye kwechira ye nso ye be sorry say wo ye medano esa na be kono wo na ye the next step yo be kasa wakasa kama ana ye papa nso a ye brain nso kasa ono so kasa kama eti me transo ina miti asa me nsem na aka menu de na asa mekan na mama mensa so eye peace na
no kasa nice
but your peace na
no buy or say why na go for buy or no say kwatwe nyina say ko etire bi mu
ana make say enti na me so make say ye fani na nto nche also Tupac asem ye de ato nchen sisi o de ye nhwe nkwala ekrampo ensema ye twa ye omo de kanokro say omo do ma akosua omo so omo kun ama no wo betumi adobi eja ne ma ho hwese no mu ye ne ma ma bua crampo me kraman crampo odon sako kan kra wenya asem to what ya say to me domain time ma eti ade we say ye na ye hu say ye gina so wa he ye beti obi ye ni platform ni bi kra na yakokasa omo yes na omo selfish interest bi wom ye both side to what ya say sisi aye bo omo say ebinum so mo gigi sika dia akoye wie binum so agege enti sika no hwan mu na etwia so ati ase enti kwa na ekoso ana ebusua no ti sese na ye ka no omo ana ade kwan ya beto omo ntema amana abasa nkrofo abueremu so wo enti ye kana sebi ye gina han na no me hu ne se nyankopon adom ye nyansafo a ye gina so se 93 krana na se nyankopon ya do ye 93 kra wo nyansa ne ye spreadi akofa 1111 abonti akoconvince ma I think so we will make an impact wo hu enti ne ye fa ye ma bygone should be bygone. Like young folk say okay, dear ye no Odo Bronii a wanye ni ye Maame Akosua omo kra maame no kra mo nya hwe ya ye we chire na ye we chire na ya ma asem wi abenti no ye twa so I think say peace beba ye ko chire ye say ya emwa so wo hu
okay
it was Odo Bronii baby a me kan si so baby a me so me Odo Bronii me done pa but
yes I could say
I really say minim de Lumba kachen I believe pa say bema de me nyi bema ni nko deep sa say obeka kire ne say oni yire anaso oni ni yire jai fine ana Odo Bronii so begie di say oni yire because of coffee no like on who say obaba hon ten ba baby a me blame Odo Bronii ne say e dia senka otiye wohu so wo time obema ne dada no na wanka nokre e kire ne sensuo to ye na wo ade chinye so e so wo ba ye na efomafo so ati ase na no no wetu wofo enti me ohono ana ma Akosua so de ne so ameso mesaka ne say ono no so what the wukun yare ye now they are 17 years yentin fimokrate say na your sister ka ye na ye ne den so ka but o ka no kre no na wo de ye one day one so we ye ndi 1 week o to me ba Ghana so ati ase abrochre we inkolema holidays omuma holiday ye makwan etu betumi akofie unja be mate won chen kra na ti sen ne we gya no ho wohu eti se ye ma kwan no ana wo so pe kwan bi ana wo koye wo hu so ba wo ho no
tina wo enja
o se kwada ba bi obetna fie wo ne de
tina nyama mi cha Lumba ne free why ntimi me se maame Lumba ne free fie o maame ne nyo no ja Lumba
de bi o min ka Germany asemo me pa che se oba Ghana no se Germany kra de ya ti ase Lumba na waba oso oba besa na ho yare so ati ase ana ye Maame Akosua oba ya obesa oba ya Lumba na kasa na no kasa so obeda ho yare ye etu wote ni sei no ayam hihye wuku onya o so ati ase na so o yare no se no wu ya ndi 1 week kra oba ye se o yare ye no na wodi se ye 1 day kra na wo so ba ye ana wo behwe ni bi enye bia ne se de ekoso yi wo mu ba ye no so kotena ba bia eye wukunu no ade na se obe accept now de go fa boyfriend kra na emami enu kra kosia so a ede na esi wo hu nti ono so ne de kakra me no mi hu wo se o eyebufu to me so wosu amesu no se nye Odo Bronii na ye the first person a wo chiti won so etutu so wosu amesu no amen no enti obeje mu se de besinsi enti sanka menne na nanka minya asa kokudro ne se mi fiwa anka yie no me mekahweo ba property na ye me no na ye bibie wi a meba beje me de meba yie na sese me de me ma na eba ba watu me disrespect me dia me de one de na meka no me metna ho embe yekuna enhye wenuonyam because we disrespect me we cheat it went to one year sana wu ye no na ubeba na sisi obekasa na esoko anu mebi a o mo bra na obi abetena so na we di he we nso si no wa wuku a woni na wo mamu miensa na wa wo ma baby a wo ma level edru na ada ne wie a me ho kakra no na me so eye me like eye wie e wo ho at the end of the day no Odo Bronii no kro to me say ono no nekuna na bi no pese oye se one papa na tena ye mua no no so enye wi ana kofa bibi he diaba minje ni se Odo Bronii chinchina che ye di bibi ma Akosua no se debi mempene enti sa ye wo echire no ye keka nsem de ye den ede mom enti no se nyamia ya adum na platform yi say pretty peace say ebeye we ya ye was ya ye ya ne ye fa disciples ye fefa ebi keka ho a ye betumi aye ye betumi anya bi oh na ye obi ebusu eye too much nti nyame adwuma na na ye dey start wa ha
tina metimi PM patcho mebo mame tina
insta
ade ba ko a me pese me catch off to be honest ni anje no matter what no it's not nice be catch o yonko ba se onkofa na eduru tina
onim bibi me ya sorry ba onim me ne nya na ya ko de dawo Debbie me ya sorry ba na ya ko de dawo ya ko ne yesisi formal yesa be hia yo na bia na wo ba so na me kasa wo
meti nkomo meti
Debbie me patcho ma me nchiro bibi ne ye kasa na me na me kasa ana obewure mu ana start so didi matem enti me gina so na ye ya enti on pesa me kasa enti na me so me ni yiyi saa na enti eba na sana later me see form enti me see form na me hu se wasan ba so a all san ye the same thing no a wo su no ana de ne ye mesre na me hu se no me kra na me ne argue ne na che se ya de a me akasa ma ye mistake kra se me ne argue because utumu say mentally no why like I don't understand why she was crying. Tina me I was just making fun of her. And yes, it say me I sincerely apologize.
But the make say me sorry.
I'm sorry. Me can say me suma for me draw green. Until you should know say na me
it wasn't funny.
Okay, thank you. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Okay. Me pacho eti na ka say bi a friend is say a friend say Lumba the china oko operation na ma fe oyare eyi mo no eti baby say my champion of friend ordinary hospital eti na a friend Akosuwa Serwaa kra yi ma Akosuwa Serwaa no nim kwa say Lumba ko operation oyewi as mo friend na chase oko operation eti ono te sa kra no oye sen ka Lumba kra embra back na ko mo hwe no na Lumba ka say o da bi na obi o hwe no ha eti nyese ma me no ase wa
please. Yan kan sa wo court ho.
Oh, what dear sister, and yes, yan kan sa court.
Yan kan sa wo bibia, yan kan sa.
Oh dear, no.
And communication, me patcho, hold on. Our communication, we are say, and then the best witness, and I say evidence, or communication between Lumba and printed the kwachire wo mo. They didn't know man can be sa wo hot until I am me according to the court. No, that's a lie.
Oh, that's a lie. Fan say okay. Would you me patcho yan fan okay. Would you yan fan is okay. Say man now what to say why you breaking
explanation of the court.
What stops you from
it was said in the court too.
What said in the court saying?
That was the explanation she gave to the courts. Even though sister no ko jide muma no that was the explanation she gave to the court.
Sister yeah
go back and read the court questions
sister no kura no sister no kura busan questions bebrebe want to me
but that was the explanation now the man court
want to me answer questions
me say hey wa hanka ye the peace
want to me ankwan concern
me fan say Lumba stop no it was stop no what
on stop no baby Lumba stop no baby sister
as some American say let's assume say Lumba stop no Lumba stop say member na won say wo kun yare a no stop wa wo so beti as say wo betena say they come out of this who justify
na Odo Bronii onkuta nkura says enso enye Lumba eko up and down anyo one no na eko okuta ni nsu okuta na aduane okuta na
yi unsa asem we opolo ye maame asay do ye mistake wo
judge ne kura check ye no na nkofo say oh ne betwi anofo ano judge ne check judge ne ka check direct say enkura na o menye enkura bi o mutwa anofo ano
is it possible you can reread what the topic now we discussing because I think that people just came in not discussing it properly. They come with their own whatever they heard without losing the topic. I think it's a what topic in the one now we stick to the topic rather than say deviating question.
No matter what,
Sister Esther, you wanted to put this about Sister Esther or your Sister Esther. Well, at the end of the day, the main reason I Oyerepa has seen is yenuaba sorry Maame Akosua Serwaa ne yenuaba Odo Bronii AKOSUA no aye bruhaha aye atemdidie bi mu di nkrofo kunu omo mane sanioma no na yefo se ehu hia because se eye major platform bi a meme die megidi se onyankopon de ba yesenka ebeba beboa emma because se aye se eye oyire ena ebia ne ye befe se whether side chick or baby mama or whatever reason or a second wife ena same way asem bia wo nipa bebre bia 70% of African homes no ewo ho entinka fa ne se ebi mo boka se sebita facho Odo Bronii was underage blah 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 say yampampo a anka ye wo group bia bibisa no ombetimi agina ma no ena say ye maame nso so no say ampase bia ye papa Lumba sebita facho obu ne kwase ade ne bre koware oba afofo no oba afofo dia anka ye think legal wives see ye group bia se uko bibi mu sa anka ye betimi akodan o ma fanobu ompa no ni sikenti no onim kwan kra obefiri na wariem obi wo kra chese oni obi kra ebia ne se ne ye maami mebie na no hwe bi mu di na tem se ntinka ye nya group bia anka bia anka ye betimi akodan o ma me ye sure se nka nkro emma bebrebe free abusive marriage mu afenso so nka emma mema nso so nye den take advantage of emma sedia ene mema ebu ye ma kwase an because emma sorry agina o attity group bia o de kodan o mo a omo betimi aboa dan say ye desa group no ni nipadom ATM no omo de ya atemdidie no and they can change the narrative say okay yeah fanya atemdidie even say they did atem kra na ye nya platform no ye nya nipa no we can now change say okay say ye dia mama so say ma bibini a even po so mutimi de ye organization bia baby omo bedru bia nipa be support him because sadie ni bi na ye maame nana konadu ye ya ode 31st women movement eba ye mama bebretimi ejina start ye adwuma start ko school start be ye enioma bebre ne eda so wo honom no entinkasa ye team legal wives and as a team responsible wives or team Odo Bronii o dimbi obi ade frɛ ne ho no a strong platform anka ebetimi abeboa emma efree ene kro se wo because nipa bebreka se omudi asebnachi because on person hu awieye no enti se awieye no se team legal wise for din kunimo Odo Bronii o whichever way no ye betimi anya platform bia se ye kunu no mu sisi anase ye ko bibisa mu abroche Ghana baby ani a anka ye betimi adabedan omo a omo betimi ade agina yechi enti enne no mebe so life say ye betufu say atemdidie ni we no anka ye ntimi njai nemom say is over 6 months asemne baye ye starting building you because say Ashanti Queen is such a strong character. Tiwa, Mami Frida, and my SCC platform, only resilience needs to be awarded. Some crofo we bejna wechia baby abekobi abedin kunim. But esa atem didie nintino eya ye bibi wo. Entinke nani kebet mi eja atem didie nanka groups na yatete whether team Odo Bronii or team legal wife no. Ya starting polishing no. Na entimi meye fair mubia ebetimi aba beboa ma. Manuel Simedase. Pacho, Manuel Sio, Ada, Manka,
Semu. I hope so. We na eto abejo.
Pacho de me pete me pa yefe. Kami hu ye nka platform nya do de.
Ashanti Queen aba abebisa masem. Ashanti Queen. O picture wo mechi because say ubisa ma what platform na basoa. Me jina me platform is so bo abaso say oh you're such a resilient woman. Oh you're such a powerful woman. I really respect you say. O platform no ade awode aye no. You fought for Maame Serwaa passionately. And we all watch you every day the way you fought for her. And you're such a big platform what's here? Me metimi akase me nyankopon di metimi akase nyankopon ehra wa anka a free and kono anase Maame Serwaa case no ebebe we ye ne saa man unu team no muye amazing strong women we all look up to you etike free and kono anka ubetimi ama negina nanka baba ye baby anke ma kwa aware problem meme sisiom ebi moji omukunu ebi mo brena obi bedi abusuafo mpo pamu ebi mo age ebi mabusuafo no anka after this case no anka ubetimi building in such a way bi ebe platform ma betimi ababe dime and I say ebe such an organization that chibiano women across the nations of the world can look up to this group to say says our group we dear odo hu koda ma ombedi ama afenso so no ebeboa emma emema take advantage of women emma ebre emma esu ewa aware mu anipa entimi nka ena nipa enim baby mpo mo befa because okoka sesia no bi di wa besia bonten enti picture da mechi because say eneme bo wa baso ena make say o platform ni a major platform and now you're such a resilient woman se wujina honomo na ujina obi echi onipa ni bedi nkunim entinka after this case anka betimi aye bibi te say organization bia ma ebetimi aba beda mu because ene se mujiji sika kra na mo de to na se bi obi kwa ware problem mu mo betimi ayi na frifio akope Airbnb bi edinato edi na semu amankosi se nipa no benya ne fa ahudie ena semu ni sikampo you can write to lot of organizations eba ma any mu team na mudigina so digina ekoma ya Maame Akosua Serwaa na I think say ebe major organization ebetimi ababeboa oman Ghana any area siafa na nyina it is so who say picture damechi enya temdidie enya bone nemum I was awarding you and giving you your flowers only ye mama free ye mutim ni nyina mutim emma mujina ko ma ye Maame Akosua Serwaa ye nuan Odo Bronii nyina no eye emma kukudrofo ene se mujina emma edomo achi mode ma beko enim medase
Mese obi na akoko frɛ na abaso ana.
Exactly.
Obi na akoko. Sister, now I was na come
No. Don't come here and make an assumption. Obisa question. One answer question. No, let's keep it there.
Please don't cut me like that because now we
no. Bringing up banter.
You didn't know.
Auntie, please, it's the platform. It's not for you. The one who owns the platform has answered the question.
I know it's not for me. It's not for you either. But one mama, I'm finishing what I was going to tell her. So please do not cut me like that.
I'm not
because the platform is not for me and it's not for you.
The platform has already answered the question. So
but
please,
you didn't let me finish. Okay? You didn't let me finish. So you can't just come and try to become me to me. The platform doesn't belong to you and it doesn't belong to me either. But you should have waited for me to finish whatever that I was trying to ask my sister. Period.
Me pato betimi amiti ho. Me pacho de opesa okasa no betimi abe.
Sister, nyankopon ma wa kokoduro no no ma wa hoden no. Na to me fa ekoko wenu why. We dey at this point no. Mama mensa so me no ni asem why oya madam for pa why be best friend.
Me pacho what's say?
Bye bye.
What's say?
Only woman lady ba could be earlier on or bass now or man.
Me kase bi oso wa nemi.
Abotre na me sem nyankopon ma mo ahode ni akukudu.
Sister, me ni sa time no se me kwakon tokwa ma obi o.
Debbie, I have read a piece na ye preachy. It's me
sa time but me pa kira wo se so obi kasa enkate no ma ni finish ade ni wie.
Me pa kira
because na woni ni de na me ka kira. Oh sorry. Na me kasa wona no kasa.
Nyankopon ma mo ahode. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Nana, good evening. to Obi or Hase, Masaya Babium, simply because I saw say Ashanti Queen joined, which is lovely. Yeah, it's pretty much everything you've said. I'm say beginning the topic how they buy, I don't know. And I'm about so because say I think so for all these things to be effective, no, it must be devoid of insults. Atemudidie and say ye denigrating who as women. Na okay, and for everything you've said, and one okay, say bit me abwa. I must be a tomb poem. Other women will look up who can say even the whole of West Africa, not just within the Ghanaian community, because what they've done a very good job. And Nigerians, other people from other parts of Africa can also benefit from these organizations if they put it up together. But I came up and I said, sir, despite all these things, no, you cannot build anything based on, say, you will raise another person and bring another person down, which is the insults. Even though we are applauding everything they have done, I agree with it, is great. But then the insults and everything was what we were talking about today, sir. So that's what I came to say. That was my contribution, sir. They should both cease fire. We need peace. Because Adia, okay, say bit me abasua, sebio, obi anywhere an organization that is sebio omo ye your friend is saying, ebia edidia term any niama no, niama omo kano, a whole sentiment is going to go against other people's emotions, verbal abuse, na no. I don't think so. Omo be organization bisa. Nasa is not devoid of insults, ebekoso. That was my contribution to say, yes, Sister Ashanti Wahano Tia, like you said, they've done a good job. But then some of their utterances, anyhow, it is getting dirty, we need to let them know, say it is not right. It is not good. That is not what Ghanaians represent. And yeah, Ghana for no. At least we know, say some of our children are watching. There was a lady who came up here, so that means every conversation that we are having, directly or indirectly, even children at home will be hearing us. But what picture do we want to paint of Ghana to our children? So Chinebi and Kwalano per se, because they be a kasi yese. Those people who are our hopefuls, they've learned something. Thank you so much. Oh, Mikasa Ashanti, so. Now, Mokase, if they are given opportunity, they should go back home and support, so that your friends saying bribery and corruption in Yamana Ekosune a trona ye dini Yamana ma Ukraine improving. Se sebio ye may be to me a kohono muni opportunity. We think that it is going to take us like very far when it comes to our economy and everything. But then says Ankwalana Omo Hasino, if this is the picture we are painting of Ghana to them, then we're not going to get anywhere. Yeah. Because when to me be organization, you say you are supporting women and sebio obiya dia. And again, people will be said like Hombe say, membra na sebio, menya se me babe kama asema chirenkrofowe. Tomorrow, what are they going to do to me? Or chinebi minya asema. So these are things. The women have done well, like you said. I support it 100%. They fought so hard, passionately. And we need such women in our community. But at the same time, we want them, yes, somebody said charity begins at home. We want them to actually devoid their arguments. Your school near your friend is saying healthy debates. Now you say for and against the motion. That teachers will put us together. Adia Bako, you say, is the United Nations good? Is it beneficial to United Nations? Say, now you can. Some people speak for and against the motion. All of us will come. And that is exactly what we'll do. It was healthy. You didn't hear anybody insulting anyone. And it is something that we can do. It is achievable. Ashanti in the team, they can achieve it. Because you don't need to insult somebody to put your point across. This is not what we were taught as Ghanaians. Maybe I'm if you are Ghana, you can put your healthy discussion across. Without having to insult anyone. Both teams have done well, like you said. But then we need peace to prevail. We want a healthy society because mind you, and everything, they come on social media. Yeah. Yes, most employers will come on social media. Even those who go and seek for assistance from the government, they will definitely come and look on social media for your lifestyle. And through that, in as much as you are applauding them, say they've done well, you should hit the nail on the head as well. Obi enjoy atemudidie no.
Ashanti Queen, that's also Ashanti. Mini salt me card. Ba kwa me pese me kakao ne so ne say. Yenuaba Ekuwe Mayo Wu is a couple of years ago no. Na okwa na sem ne tre sofo na sofo bo mpaye man. Ye nyina ye nim sa sofo ni bi wo na say ye koka ya wa we mu sem tre na. Osofo nba be kasa tre ekunu no na wasa akotena fio na se bru bi no bru ano order so bro so wo enti ye mo platform na amanya no said the American is a mokoso ni ye ne bia ye atemdie ni sa nyoma ni free mu a me fo senka sata mkranka na ekueme nanka mu legal team ni say legal wives team ni kra wo a anko beba bedai mo ene so bimpo ni credit na so kona down for bi ompo na so kana sem trainer obetimi adie me straight a mu group na mu team no mu betimi aba beboa emba no enti ebema emema ekunkumu ma broma like meme die eye menkwala adwen aha. I don't mean to disrespect anyone, but I'm just here to applaud. Say, mo to say ya santua mo kunji o mensi ho enti me pa mo cho mamo mani si he ya mo nkoso say mo building in such a way say because say say ka UN na eye nioma bi say na ema UN eye UN aha o platform we say no say ene edu baby a big countries be fremo amama ba representing women. It's not a small thing sanye bia muhunu no anebia uhunu no enebia wakwa Maame Akosua Serwaa santo kwa kesie se ya wetimi akono ubetimi akon akubia. I'm telling you, especially with the people behind you. Ebimu ye lawyers, teachers, like educative people, so eba kemo. And as your wings spreads, na more spreading more, you know, mubenya more intellectuals, ebeba be remwa, ebema adieno ejina, ebeba be boa emane nkwala, ebimpo emema kra, because many beings so abusing mema ewopi. Enti, ene de obesra mea, me pa cho, me nkwala. Adriana Mede it's not in any offense at all.
Pepe na okay nana. Me na me debe so say sebio yanti bebia historically who say ya santoa oba kunim dia odi ekuanim edidi atem edi obi ase ne sa niama no. It is not right and it is not healthy. In as much as oti hobe feel say insult it doesn't get to you no. Some way somehow your children will go and watch it. Sometimes we are human beings. When you go and reflect, because me every day I do reflections when I sleep, what I achieved in my day. So do you want to go to bed and reflect on insults? So obi mami say, obi papa say, obi I say and all that. It's unnecessary. We don't need it. You can put your points across. You can do whatever you are doing beautifully without having to insult anyone. It has gotten to a very dirty danger. We don't want to go there. It is not healthy. It's not acceptable. This is not what Ghanaians are known for. Ushe Ghana for Antina Chrome has say I want Ushe Uko baby ananka so fi Ghana. People they are acceptable of you. People accept you. Omukacho say, hey, Ghana for there. That is because Omunim say ye prestigious people like Nkofua enimonyam wo ye ho ye be kasakra adwuma mu krampona. We are careful. Unlike Nkofobia mempese mebo bi edin, but yesremo Mama atemdidie no, because younger ones are watching us. Our children are watching. To say the nena ye can sister biba no jina the phone man bisa and say ama kola kitwa very articulate. Osime mama a nurse no come for 12 years to defend the mother. So even if you are talking indirectly, your children are sitting there and they are listening to you. Exactly. Most of these children it is just that they are not articulate, they can't express themselves, but they can understand everything. It is your mama to wana obi say come on, we need to stop these things. Let it be healthy. It said yes, sister. Let's take it from a space of a good heart. Let's improve upon it. There's funding for it. It's called social enterprise. If you position it well, you put your business proposal down, you take it up there, you will get funding. You best support too. People are there. And you guys are doing so much. My idea to say the sister Kano. Women need all that support. but at the same time, it should be devoid of insults and pain, verbal abuse. Not more chunk of for two more young for say, or be nipe or be yes, say all those things are unnecessary because people started like this from Facebook. Me, I like anything that is social to do with my community, so we used to go there. And today they are nowhere to be found. So no phone space. They've come to a year, nobody watches them. Start time now people used to hail them on Facebook. Oh, and away na say. People are improving, people are developing, and we are in the 21st century. Come on, who wants to come and listen to you insult people all day? And in as much as this thing will stop one day, look for something, an avenue where good work and is going to continue, devoid of insults. Now, say me, yeah, say in the next few years to say sister Kano, it's going to be something we are singing our crabit me applauding because my idea, but munja attempt the and then Crawford's family now you are causing emotional havoc. That is to both teams. So the Oye Liga, the Oye, your friend is saying Odo Bronii, all of them. They are causing lots of trauma to children and to the adults themselves and to their own families as well. Until media me buy a kind of say, yes, this is what you came to do today. But I was the second person or third person to join. And I also came to say these things as I'm saying here. So we are glad our beautiful sister is here. She should take it with a good heart. Who said, me and dinner me kasa na I wanted people to know be by na or say kasa with a lot of emotions people should be allowed. But I think professionally they tell us to rationalize our emotions and be able to contain it, especially if you work in the health sector, because you cannot put your emotions, attach it to your work, so you need to detach yourself from it. Tisadie bi wo hona se wuntume na wo yese de bia your friend is saying the emotions is shemwa, it affects you. Most cardiac arrests, any heart attacks, the onset is from some of these things. So in as much as Crawford trivializes say tiatiem na wo kekemwa or background wonyim na wo yesa de we ya uterus disruption. There are so many things. Your blood vessels, you constrict them. Blood clots. People should take time and read on this. So when you say bia oba na be kasa na wo tiatiemu na wo ye niam na feel say that is how people will hear you. It is detrimental to your health. You are impacting your health as well. It is a wo yes niam we nya na betena se 24/7 na wo tiatiem na wo say ya. Maybe in secret you go to your GP, they are telling you are battling something and maybe you don't know it is attached to this. But look into it as well. Let's find healthy ways of sharing our emotions, of expressing how we feel, of doing the things that we have to do without necessarily impacting our health. Because at Temna, yes, to both sides, my darling, and you'll be a maker. Your adrenaline, your cortisols are raising, some is going down. Or chinebi, na kuja yare, akoja use mentiasie, minima do kreye me, no. You are building up things that are sometimes irreversible. So one reversing is a CR. Do not think that doesn't have any impact on your health. Auntie Naa, thank you so much for your wonderful program, and thanks our beautiful sister for joining as well. I will just get down for someone else to come. Thank you so much. Bye.
If I'm a chombet, me akasa kakrana.
Me patry.
Yo, the kind, Maame host. Nyame shiraw na me ameka se mani afipa na me da ya mani tie apene me hu se wo ka asem bi a eye dedede e wo masum eni na ma ba so na me ba yu ba no so me ka se me ba yu ma obufu ni mafe ono so akasa sesi was in Yamisha, Munhunu, Nafon Bise. I also be a practice medicine. Into no sooner Casano, or the food to be a bum, said the Abaya. A seminars on Quaya Yabibrina, said ya, a yedid, you know, and Quafa Yari and some comment for 4. The Yamisha on so. Now, and then 9. Nami Jane. Me impesa me kaka ewo nsɛm yi a aba yi ho na megye di sɛ nsusue bi yɛ ba a m'adwemu no ebi na waka ne sisi ya no na yɛsɛ ma yɛde wei group mmienu no nyinaa bɛkora sɛ me ne group biara mu medeɛ mpae na da bi ambɔ sɛ asɛm no nkɔtɔ din baabi a nɔkorɔ wɔ no ɛnda nyame mfa ntutue bi mmra baabi a yɛsɛ yɛtoto
Me patrol Ashanti Queen air requesting to medrop Obina Mafano.
Yo na ɛmfa wɔfrɛ ne dɛn asomdwie ɛnyɛ dɛn ɛmmra na ebi ɛnka nkwalaa nso a ebi akyira ɛɛba.
Queen ma patrol Maame Manuel ɛnkasa Queen akɔba.
Yeah, me Joso, me patrol afe na odi nkrofo pictures aka ho ka mebusa outside there na me picture no kwa no use the ato. If say you are saying say you are fighting for both okay, both team and I say yeah wo de me picture na ato no.
Yentia me de o picture ni sister Frida picture to.
Baby say na Frida picture ba. Before na Frida picture was not there.
Oh, me patrol there be it has always been like that.
Na me what down what there na picture be anyhow. See na me ba show na me hu.
Okay. Me de mu nyina mo pictures go because na me address e many nyina say.
Me hu na mo ase o na me hu eno. Why? Ana asma mo kan we de me pa show. How many times I want say me no be ko?
Me can say
me ba wo de me ba. Observe issue we say me. If said they be a make if say you disagree with me, normal because we agree to disagree. Me no ntime nya atwene. Yent me ma one team mo ma ne nye. To bet me on 4 ways so aba say this side. But the tienie me go for ya na jomo de me picture ya dey at all. Sister people have been insulting me for a long time claiming kasa just and any 3 days. Me, I wanted peace. Yeah, the picture bet one intimacy. Me mean the atom. The focus say beer team A, yeah fight team B. Me teaching such as it is echo beer or baba one ho. About show me fighting me kontoka. One more kontoka no ho. Just and any 3 days and I'm buying I'm very responsible. I think that was yesterday and I'm very responsible with me. Advice we say there, me I don't need it much. Why me fight on my platform so. Maybe a misunderstanding being a baby they are fine, but some may target to be a do be nude picture and say, hey sister, why me pacho what mama why that's it. So thank you.
My platform, so I really appreciate you.
Yo.
Ozzy, please, you've always insulting Odo Bronii. Nanka wana nkamene ko. Wana menene ko nkamembe insult wana heaven. Kamembe di water. No mu do mu insult Maame Akosua so wonde onye nipa ono kura Maame penmu no. Wonde onye nipa ho. Kamembe di water mana. If say me did you me kura me did na tem say aboa kwasia woni me nka bi da. Ade a make can say be a pointless na be a make cake but me did not tell my boy kwasia I will never do that. Ebi asuma make can say wa kwaju obi kunu e na kwate da fuma wo be fe di all those kind of words na me fa but saying so see dey do obatam kwasia ba jimi for ba me can be that since I started talking about Oprega assembly to where from the insult. Omo didi Maame na tem say Maame pen mu ye tutu ni say ni de mu hu say you been always insulting Oprega. Mama, who platform you peacefully, me patch off at mate. Why, Mr. Would me see? Why, no, I program. Men I meet them, and then call for sending the bram says sister be me picture to it, and I'm a bear more. Ever hear why I'm patch or why? Would I know what make me call?
But Mr. You're very, very strong and tough woman. Into me bumpire say after we say no. A bit me by organization Kessia, Mubeti me, Aquama and Ma Baby.
Maame Matia Wadama Wate. Well, many can fight for Maame Akosua Serwaa ne ababa we di then we na case is great go crime nyanka ho asem crofo makomako 7 similar to asem we say e kra ne go kra we've not even come to that topic no to discuss e wo asem no jafe na bi e deal we na afi no we get back to what as a business in account crofo so the entino we are on it why e bon pa say we are best successful why me pacho. That's it.
Say Evangelist Frida so but ne line no article. Nti pacho na wa okasa no betimi ato aso.
Yo, me masama na mpesa me ka to aso na say. Ensusu bi ba ma dwemu. Enen be ye 4 days. Na ma hu say asem na ekoso nyina no. Otede bi na mitia. Bia afahafo bi etimi ka say bia sanka wei eja yi mu a anka be ye na afa hanso aka se wei dwa mu a anka be ye entimetimi hu se omumie ni na mo pese asudwe eba na asudwe na yese eba nso no ade bia no akwala awum na me se mpapa ware miensa na tama eka kakra mo waka bebi na samo ka chepse meba ya menkota ware eso na mema ne yanka ndokre yakwa ha yetwa ntro yakwa ha yetwa atro nti obo hye memu ma na mesuru saade ndokra enti no ye wo mu ne sese ye hwe mu pa eto da bia woni panim podi asema wasema ye de na mo se o mo de akonwa agina so ana asiso ana se bia wo mo de kan chi ano na in this case no se ye ka se bia asundwe mra pa ye be ka se bia nka okay akwala ya ben emre no ho ase nanso se ba na sa so obo se afa na fa ase no ento yie enti me hwe mu pa ekuo mienu na di asem no we gina ha no mempa ye ne se nya memrem na mpenefo ededa ano no nya men kom akoma na nkomo ankasa engina mu tesama osusu sesi ase dabi ombetimi edi asem no ekuo boyi mienu ya na dabi asema amaka mo nchroto wa be nkomhye ekuo mienu we na betumi aka mani mienu apom edi asem na ma na yede ye na mekasa ukọ ofre ne se mfa se efiefo ede baby asem to na ka dokre na okoduru friends court nso a tesama yi na eka asem omodem la na eka ebetimi abutu nani wofom ebetimi eden ani so agina ho nti ekuo mienu wei na mpanifo ededa no sa obi atene ye osi ho na omoyi amo adwen se omo be ka asem ne pa amana ya sunwi a ekuo mienu wei betimi ade reconciliation aba nti mempa ya mebo no ensusu ya sesi osusu na meso mpa ye mebo etare asem we ye na anyway se debi nya men form mienu so oyi kasa kire we na we akasa kire we na fi baby a bete ne ho ase no na ye dead ni akon aba eno nkire se de yese pani enya no onya eno nkire se de yese akwa anya no onya so mutimi nya me bamu pa omumienu ne betbi asisi o friend dey ma mienu we entem esanso we fi mu a bia busuan na nkasa niema ko wrong enti no mo amotete nchen a obi a wo groupi eno no mo mpanifo no nya me betumi afom asisi asemwe ama kwara atene wase panin so atene wase na kese na kura ye adwuma enti me nso de amede mempa ya ameda ha mebo no eno na amete se wonso susu we ya nso me de abete so enti nya me nchira mo
That's mama eko anya me nchira mo so.
Me kakakra.
Evangelist. Me pacho owo so a ubetimi afa so pese obaso a. Me dasi bebre Evangelist Frida me hu se owo ase o me dasi se wetimi aba me life so na wo like it. Uhu se o picture da mechi a enye boni bi nemo mebo one Ashanti Queen emma mujina asem ni nyina echi say we should not see say mudi apem keke nemo me wose yetimi hwe akoma mode kono we chere say mu betimi ako amama amene ensisi a mama de sisi ma emma e wa abusive marriage mu ye ji o majapade free o mu nsem no ebetimi aba beye ko bi te senia ye maame mama konedu eti ye no Ajagrajah etimiti ye no a ebeye 31st women movement no na ye ka say me bompa esa we no atemdidie ni sa nyoma no ene said ya omu disrespect sebi ukunu ma at both sides no anke betimi ejai na anka ye betimi ehu ni say sa ade we say na asem na baaye no asem kese because say ma bebre be 50 or 70% Odo Bronii situation ni mu a ebimpo ene no omuni baby omuni omuma cry omo defa enti platform bi say it say wo de na platform bi a ebetimi abeboa amema nia ebia ensisie bi abusua bema whichever way ma ekomuno anka ebetimi abewe ye na emeye Ghana fonko a ababe social media yi alata for West Africa ibi na brofumpo ebitimi ababe daimo a ebe association kese bia ebetimi ababe boa ewiase ene future nyina enti hu se me picture edamechia enye in a bad way or disrespectful way nemo me de to ho say ye nyina ye betimi ejai atemdidie no especially disrespect na eko ukunu so ni we say mititi bi o platform so and I wasn't happy na am say there be more bia anya ne sa because mu nyina mu nkuta intentions boni akoma na mode kono oba bia hia sa support no enti nka ye betimi ejai atemdidie no nemo me ahwa akoma mode koma ma na dachi bia no ebetimi abaye bibi kese a emma betimi aba mo nchen amamu ako ama bebre ebi mu wo aware mu ebi mu ye sisi yo mu aware mu nemu ye nya emma kokudro for to say ye maame Frida ye nua ba Ashanti Queen eni omo ekeka ho nyina etimi ekun sa ekun ya ewosu ya I believe say ebaba beboa Ghana ma eni emma nyina ewiase afa na nyina emma in a whole intime pacho se uhu picture enye boni biso enye disrespect biso nemom eye wabaso ena mebo na masre se efi na ekro no minim so already now yes our program ni bi dida ansana Odo Bronii AKOSUA ya uteki no ebeye bibi kese a emma betimi ababe dwane ato amo inti uhu picture enye boni biso medase
okay me ma de ne say yenua ba ya sapon yire say maame so enyamoa nti ka me sre dwan toa tim legal wife for ne so omomo amaame no because one so ye yiri panyini sa na tiwa betwintwa na mu sa maame say wo su pacho so pese wo ye ni kunu kuna omo so omo mpene nti ka me de kakran sen ka tim legal wife for me sre mo monkokon bi ma no nke beye me depa nke beye nyina so ye depa se ono so mo boa no nke beye me depa nti na no so mo nhwe mu kakra mama because maame ne wo tete na asem nyina so pese wo ye kuna nti se wo mo so
ebia na wo okay ye kan no career ebusua ne ye right bi omo moba ne nye but say ye maame ti say mama Frida ye nua ba Ashanti Queen mu omo platform we no omo betimi ate agina mama me na ye kuna because on papa ne worry for years but everything na make us say mo me fa atem didie no ntu nche because ejuma we say ye me hu ne say ye ntokwa keke na mo kuna ena nyankopon ye ni such a way say esi wo oyire ene ebia ne ebi mu friend is Sidechicks second wife whatever mo betemi no I think say yeah ade bia na ebia because em say bibi sakra ni Ghana ye ni team bi sakra wo Ghana well enti na ye big team bia assignment kesi na big calling bia nyankopon de ahyem nsem enti ma distractions atem didie ni sa ne ma ne ma mesai no Name anka ye maame senior sisters can ye maame ti wade sa group bi say jina wachi a ekwan bi aso no obedi kuna because we no mo de emra bebem omo de chese whichever way we bi maame ne beboa no omo betimi aboa no
so maame na akokoto abusuapanyifo mu nyina ne adwa to ade ahobrase akoto so mo mane ni kuna enti mesre tim legal wife fo mesre wo mo nkoboa maame no
ada opese wuti
if I change the same woman and small about out to say on caucus obedi kuna no so I think if the lady herself requested for it, but I don't think we are in the capacity of requesting for someone. If the lady herself going to request it, I think they will do something.
Because your mommy dear one request you. Your mommy dear one requesting because
I think she was the beginning of it. She was the beginning of it. So I think we should just leave let's talk about the recent issue rather than bringing others in.
And I'm a second a year so ye a bedroom ye been nipa bebrebe ye nyina obi ani bewu enche bia obi ani bewu ewo social media because papa no a ode no ho no de ayi no na adwene da ho pa ente yide ni mienu no de wo ware yie no onim ente me die menim se nyankopon adom enipa ni bewu bofo enipa ni bewu lie so cause bedroom re bia ye bete ye behu de oye ne niema nyina eno ne ye behu asem no mu nokre timi de bia me mpa ebo ne sa papa no ye nim no wonim nyansa because ne nwom na ototo ye no so wonim nyansa nye ayi a untimi ntwetwere sa anwom no ntimi nim se
me patron about God's gift and no na ye kan wasem so say what about joining these two groups together as women affair
exactly
sa ejuma ne de eyede entina me mayesa eyede so betimi a join sa two groups no together but entina me kan yes such a strong group be a bank betimi aba beboa ma no nti I hope say in future no and I know say definitely they will reconcile and then begin to help women to say yaw sapon ireno omubetimi aboa nti I just hope say ebeboa ebia is the beginning of something I don't know yeah if I just test that person
ti we koba we so say na yene ankasa so sometimes sister ya yenye program bi say yene ya kekasa ansem wo ankasa wo no se na wo de ekoso aya yenye saade no dan se ye kokase we ene we wan kasa won so a wo ti wo fie no e de na ekoso wa bra bote sen owo wa wade mu wo ma bra bom wo tu kwa e de kura na ekoso ama wo because abrocha there's so many benefit wa e de na ekoso we have to focus on that more than say the be internet in a way word ye me Odo Bronii and we say so we say so no omo de na betwa mu na won so de after that wo de no so wa wade na wote hu no e wa he both a man mienu nyina there's a lesson a man mienu nyina wo bia de ne lessons wo ho de mu wo ye fa bi de ne betwa mu na aka me ne wo mienu waje adwene ho saa edia na montuo na wonso tufa wa brabo ho for wa wadiem abrochire na wo ba de na ekoso de madaachi bi wonso so no wa nkwankwa yese de na ekoso ma wa yankasa ema ne mema nyina no de na ekoso ma yen ya adwene saa se yenso ye tena se acheke ya brabo both women nyina there's so many nyansa wo mo ye betumi asua saa ma we mu mienu nyina de abai ede ne ye wo ho ede na mo ne yetu wo ho ke beboa ye pa sansa abrochire bebrebe nipa bebre struggle abrochire benefit e wa abrochire bebrebe ye ba bebrebe nya bida otegana kranka ye nti we mu nyina ade asese aba ke ye dwene hu momwa de tutu na mombia asakra wa ya bra bom so anka beboa ye pa ke beboa ye yie nti momie nso focus aya mo da ko bi yenye sa program yen focus ye nso so ya bra bom okay ya na mo ntu ani sen na wo ba won so wo dwene hu wote awade ho de na wo dwene hu be man so wote awade mo de na wo dwene hu wo treat wo yiri ye be oba nso wo treat wo kunu ye because one treat ni ye bedu mre bi obeyi wa mo Unya baby didn't nesi, be you ama, tina say and you both mem and my in ano. Yen so dako, I am mommy and trans me and yan casayo, yen so ye dear, yanam to about this program. The ABUSUA, you know, the when we are now ABUSUNO. Yen so yana mon to be fahu, nay yes, both many women, yes, so be some behaviors be war, yan, yes, because a big crime paid you, a money being paid you, mamma being paid you. On what did any to be dear so? Until say, when I'm on to anything, we are Juma a year, could come now so born more day. Come, no see, young Copa, I hope so be unfunny person, I dear me too full. I hope so be unfunny person, a name moment, they be caught, I dream me a catasso. Near who say, eh, as someone I bay. Miss Media, yes, saying, and ye miss me, man, I'm on 2 years. Na dachi bi mi suma ankanko feli mi sama am na me ya reho ami enshira obi bia me damase.
Thank you. My bit kasana mi wi am dropping no bi nso atumi aba. Sister Esther Wakasa, thank you. Me de beka ho kakra ne de mesu free di asem de ekoso bebre no ne say na me so kakra bi metumi de atufo ne say especially my eti abuji. I think say the SCSU free so buy it's good to own things in your name too. Na enyama bibi says is yan we bisa ho say when they said keep quiet. Ba wo awari mu enkasa oba awari am kasa bisa ho say who is that silence benefiting? So bet na ho no na wasu ebi yare ebi bodam home. Me fa ne nyame kwa na maame no penny na thing say waboa no. Because it's not easy. So when you be best start your brabo. Now, in the middle of our country, na mwetino, obi fufuro beka home. I don't know who make that decision, no. But I think say that's what in the end. Because minimum some more brana Obama one oma. You don't more brana say, be mani bet me akwa ubi bra beka home. And I we bet me ubi bra beka home. Ti me bob brana ma. Those who will join later, I think so. Bob Brand say me bomb my name Madachi. To me, I think say a money be brineti abruchina ya normal day. Or musike na no me juma mo be nana ma be man so on fanko ye bibi wa Ghana, on fanko ye bibi Ghana. Love moves. Decisions can change. E be nene na ofo se be man pe. And now so to me worry bad mistakes to me ba. E ma be man on ne doko di baby. In the says here, there are some things you don't have to, you can't make decision upon it. Inti no what to for no what to one no more ye. As I said on a motor, a bit to me, I'll do things differently compared to say before. Say me did so minimum worry or dancing. I'm very secured. Way the mama will say it's not security. Anything can change in your life. The beer situation be to be changing. At the same time, it's also the me two other side answer for say. And then I almost will mess me free mommy be 2 million yam get one for say. It's good so about the one more than juma. You were born with hands and yanko pon shira self I won't say juma. Now bet me yam. Essence say a man and Kolani is years and 2 on for so who could you be a wedding year now so what baby a drew baby a bit of baby security in life. Na debi amesi ubisa ho say look at Serwaa me here then look at Odo Bronii. Who do you prefer her to be in your family? Me momu dear, if I have a preference it will be Serwaa me here because this is what I'm looking up to. Say bemem to me can't tell me say me school na me I want to women who can build themselves. I be here futu amen kwala na eba no. Essence Ghana I think say kwala ni bi kura waria be ye omo we say me waria be your future. Oh, me join say me nya penny mu bi your way bo sika na wa be me. E man anka say ntumi ndi won. Me stress say nyama nkitingiti a me mesua film no. At the same time so say bari bedu nyanka nensa Odo Bronii ye twene wo fo no. Ye kire mu say o buy one be ye adwuma da. Banko de ne ho na nkotumi develop ne ho kwa waware ni mu a. I don't think so she should have come to a situation both women in Nayatrin. Maame so making due diligence.
ano who say baby akudi na amwa enti nkoye niema woni di man I don't think say she will be in court said nke na nam court your chimanso no anka think say onene brain no niema na omoye no wanfa nka say ojibe ma ne nyenkoye a ewu say ni din wosu bi kura no no akoye no no ane ne ye no who say ewu midi mu a I don't think she would have been in this situation to start with. Intimate say ya ne ma no so mo waware say wonya o ma no no katon na we put the name of it's only benefiting one person. That person benefiting no he was okay. He didn't care about the both of them a man to me he disrespected both of them. Ojina platform also ebony reading at the same time or sanki to baba according nam every day. And there was no respect in both of them, no. Or no, so far as he was happy, no. He was only thinking about the happiness. Your society, it doesn't favor women. Ghanaian community, it doesn't favor women. Then me call Ghana. You minimi kunti restaurant, yourself, and he was very good. We no, me Chinese cano, wana me masi or dami kumu masi. Yes, master, thank you, master. Because the society na you said men money who obey me be man. But I think we are necessary. Women are beginning to build themselves. Intina Walker said, all the topic we have been here for long. And I say we need to empower women instead of insulting. It doesn't help. Me platform me fa one insult near 1-1 to base me even free on. Not because I don't want maybe be an some now we are supporting the cause, no. But insults never some of us is difficult for us to listen again. Intibesra Santi Queenie Frida no mesra won't be brave. Aya insults no. Among the good cause, ne say a be benefiting my be brave. Essence of more dream was a be benefiting only today. Now dear chia nephew no. Ubi can say Facebook. There was many insults. Where are they now? Even though they have come on this app, but people don't listen to them because they didn't build it for long term. But some platform no, they have started a good cause. The more they think about some of it doing for long term, and kebe boy, ebe money being so the woman sama bahono mama, oma beseke support. And see, I wish you will bring a good topic. Keep on the good work. Some of us we are not bold enough to see a soul life. And to me, who will be our soul life? I really appreciate them. So thank you.
Thanks
a lot.
Thank you so much. Me pacho, Sister Comfort, pacho unkasayo.
Pacho, me tiao, me morning, me tiao mo obibia, nyina obia kasafan, obia ya die. Me so kakra me de ba no se yeda wase. Ewo ene o topic ya odi aba no. Me da hana me tie pa na kakra nka me kan se afana mienu ni nyina no wo ho. Because sia no obi aba o bibia o na ye kasa agency baako ewi ase wo se ne katira makura ye den ye ko ese obi support obi no obi odi obi atem obi gina wa in fact ebe ye obi aya nti se no die na be ma saa niema mienu we nyina niema we aye den akrusu ana se ye twam na ye nyina ye di peace beba the peace beba na se sia no me de madwen kakra no ansa na nko bi ba ayi platform so oba ba kasa no na wo the evidence ya ifiri Maame Akosua Serwaa ho aba a evidence na wo fo mienu wo fo ni nie me ne Maame kasa e say na ka o ka kire me na waka na obi atie na Odo Bronii so side wo beka bibi agency ayi na wafa Odo Bronii asem o ka kire wo no na wo beka kire ye nyina na ye nyina ye tie sensen we efiri Odo Bronii wo na wo de brain wo se ya nya bibi sa ana se ya ma enforcement bi amma sa fanu mienu we ma me sister ye bia ye no kwa ye no kwa because tell me ti we na obi di me Maame atem me beto so a me mfa ho nchew me ye Ghana ni oso ye Ghana ni o tene ameche na se na oso be kwa koto se obi di Maame atem wo mfa nipa no ho nche no nti sese ne nyina ye pese peace badia ya ye tie ni ya ye hwe omo no ye na ye koso problem no because Maame Akosua Serwaa no baby a oda baby din Maame Odo Bronii ono so dan baby din ye nkrofo mienu me okay me nti so obi e kasa me nyanti obi a me pese meti obi a ba ye call life so a na say ye ko obi life so no mo kan ni nyina ye de tie bi nsem aba no ne niema ye nyina ye ka ko toro ho dan nsem what you say but actual asempa nsem papa na e wo no menu mienu ye nim enti eze ye tie frisa nkrofo mienu no hwe asema ye ka nyina na ye ka nyina Maame Akosua Serwaa sister bia ma ha me kasai Odo Bronii nata no kra no me nte ne nka wo ayi so so okasa agency ana okasa agency Maame ayi asema ye nyina ya titibi ene ye nyina ye ka but the way ye fa sen ne pesra sen ne ye nyina ye ka no we sister na asema no ka na mitie pa de oye nurse ni no we sansen we yeti a ye ka no me say obi ati obi ayala ma ne pressure aba di entia because our situation ni bi no obi defend the Odo Bronii o defend the Odo Bronii not ya say nipa kro we nipa bono mama me pressure ayede aba moment wono na nya asenketwa so what you say because be breed your mo yure ahye sase we mu a Maame se afana mienu ti se Maame Freda ne Maame Queen no se yampe panyimfo bi mo ankasa omuhu se asenwani yentwa so ma kotofo yentwa so ma Odo Bronii ni Maame Akosua Serwaa sister asena enye betesa because they be me see ochina new asemfoforo beba ochina Monday new asemfoforo beba Tuesday new asemfoforo beba nti sa no ye kwahe yanko baby a me de ya ye tie o ne ya ye hwe omu ya nsema ya keka no in fact me anano pa mi wuda akọ papa se enkura nkete me se me wa brocha mi kita enkura 5 na se sisi ya baba kasa na ubekwa ko bisa me ubisa me ya ubenyame na ubekwa akotwe me babi na de na baba tu akire no ye nyina ya wa ha me omo kan omo se lawyer ne niema nya adwuma na ka kire o abrocha ne ye wo no adekora me dia ye wa wo de me baba tu akire na se wo de me ba wudi me ba ten no ene we ha so adwuma no me ye de etua ho ka because time sem panfo mienu ye nyina ye nya ase ne ye di agro kakra obi asem na ye nyina ye ka bi wokotwe we ba na de na begu na wokotwe we kunu wakotwe we busuya na mo de ba begu hwe na no no obi ka asem bi omo se Odo Bronii ma omo ko school wo Ghana no akora bi bisa ba ko se nti wo ye so so papa ne Lumba sana Maame Akosua Serwaa ma no so no omo di omo agu akire no obi so betimi ebisa enkra no ho nsem ha kwa no ye ne de etie fi o bankrofo na asem na to omo no omo man so omo fa problem pa omo fa problem abusuya no mienu nyina no se Maame fo mienu ni na omo ni problem pa omo ma no omo wo problem nti media ni ameka no se kakra ameka ka wono se yesi e pese bibia ye peace dia ne ya ye ba so no yensusu ntwitwa moye ho yensusu enka we yensusu nye we because se ya beta me ya me obi a ana me ya mikunu so ba ya me nti mesrem ye nyina ye support obi de ye nyina ye support obi we ye madam fo we ye me ko ama we ba yensusu mfremu nsem because ye ni obi yenti ensem na eba na ufri se obi di asem na eba na unti apo no se niema doso so na waye washipti ko ba bi fufura ye ka asem fufura o we na mo wa no wadu mfo no watra se wabonwum na watie because ye na ye bekwa ko gusu a ye de sanse ni nyina be dey eba ma nse na eye kese no because me se ochina wo de asem amakan mo fansa no we se ochina Monday ade na ye china de ye si Monday ba me se china new topic beba ama yasin aba beku ho na peace na ye pen na de hin won enti se si ana de ye nyina social media fo ne yi se omo ye mo kwan na omo we kan ne yanko support omo ana se ya mo mora me nya so se ne ma ne beku atiri se ne a ba bia adru se se ni because ye na ye support omo a ense na ye mo no because obi di asemba na obi ka asem na free say asem okay wa we sure pass nipa no oni na dwene na ode ka to na wo gina chi na wo support maame papa ye mistake ye nyina obi ya me nka me nyi obi amfiri me ka ho bi ye nyina ye mistake e wo line so because nsema aye ba no bebre eni ba bia eni buku bia mu bebre ye fremu ya dwene ne ye de ka enye atendie maame fo mpanyimfo papa fo mpanyimfo obewe na obi di obi ata obi nim obi o me yeso say lai apart from say e bia wa bedro ne na bia unipa bia woni ne wo kuro ba ko ne wa kwisia no wo so yenim obi anim obi sa na nipa nkwa obesia na brutra na be hu no unim no wo ni yedidi ya ho atensa ne niam me de kakra meka no because me kasa yeso na say manu ti obi a me pamocho mu fa nche na yenyina ni yie ne yenyina yepe se bibia be de ebeto yie na obia sa didi atenne ne nkura ye de omobam ne amanfo kunu ne niema ye de bamabusuasem because obi kasa kura na se wan kasa obi fa yi a na obi dum obi ni nyina enye me na dache ma me so a e na ode ne ode wo ma ne wabusua ye de e ka ho ni nyina enye ye ganafo ya mfase ya ntete ye ba TikTok ye sua niema bi ya baburo chire aha niema papa wo ha papa sisi akọ online so bi ni mo chire niema pa obefa so a obetimi ageni wo internet yi so ne niema ba sisi no ya ma ya ho kwan mo nchire ya se bebi a problem won ko an ne nyina ye face me de kakra metimi aka no sister me da mo se
ya da se ma comfort ya da se bebre me patrol DJ patrol bebe mo ana mransa
patrol ma nana mransa ai
Mpacho mamenka so mpacho me gift no so me nchira ne opatama for ma pattern to kwasa wan gift me oni me gift why
the or say Lumba NSEMSEM everything or two ni di no nana mpacho yetie wo
mechia obia o
ejo so
eja mechia minia
nana
mechia o say
say susu ato gift ne susu thank you
yeah me mechia minia susu ni eja minia mi no mo pentokwa so me to de meka ne say eja obi asem ne aba ne yina ye tafre ho kakra ti we de be ya nka me mesre say se ne o ene wo preach peace ma ye nko ye ndidi ye ho atem enke kan sem bebre ntia ye ho enye ye nyina obi asem eja ye tafre ho bi e bi enye nsem we kwa ye nyina nke ye ni TikTok mpo me nka me nko TikTok da but it's because of this issue no ene am ye nyina oba ntia be ya nka ntokwa didi atem na be ma edi oba atem na oba di be ma atem enye me pe Odo Bronii what I say se me hu so bi edi Odo Bronii atem be me ya san so na me hu so bi di ma Akosua atem be me ya me since enfance me buy me di ma Akosua atem da never me nye bi da because me jimi for me klasi ni ena me sorry se me di ma me peni atem ana me di oba atem san so na me nhwe so obi nso ndi Odo Bronii atem no so oba because ye nyina me ema me nu no mo aba asem me nhwe so obi ndi Odo Bronii atem san so na me nhwe so obi ndi ma Akosua atem because wo ye peni enti de me kan say ye wo Odo Bronii no me ndi ma Akosua atem because ye di na atem obi umbe so obi be di Odo Bronii atem obi be di na atem san so na wo ma Akosua ma se wechi a me ndi Odo Bronii atem udi na atem obi be di maame na atem eno no obi a obi a odi a odi ama wo mo ebi frewe say hu hia fan say one day issue na end no ma be ye wana me ni umi enu ye gina he say be be jimi for because omo ayeko emo ma be ye wana ni ye gina he at the end of the day we team we su team we because omo nya be ye wana o ti asenti ento kwa na edidi atem na edidi ho de ehia because etimi ba na fanati aside see edi o matem no ne yenya ya be gina so ye kira atwen no ye didi ye ho atem enye fe because fan say me so ho intimi ndi so atem for dey me nyo okay intimi ndi na atem san so na intimi ndi benji wo Odo Bronii achintia na me wo ma se we che me be di na atem for dey me say ebia so suhwe me ni tai hia nya na me ne say even omo be ya na send message ama so say mo ndi ata so there bi obi na me chance there bi ahia but e asema obeka kire na be ne obeka bi but me be ya anka me ndi ye ho atem enkofo mienu na enya ane ye nyina we so otim we otim bi ane o otim nya didi atem o otim bi nya didi atem de be ya ne se ye ndo ye ho ye betimi aba ne de aye seria ne afiri hako ye nyina ye tafiri ho bi obi asem ye tafiri ntimi emfa asem no obi beka se na obi asem na obi ani di fie there be obi ntimi ni di fie asem because the moment I was social media there e go fie asem but it doesn't mean say what social media to be taking up say e be obe catching ebusuafo no anaso be catching amana to the extent say udidi atem even Bible will say etwa say we bufu bye ma ewia anto bufu so meaning say ma chese ndidi atem ma de enchi so no asema ba ye betimi media yeseria ne ayef ya ka se he ukọ court yemfa tuo yemfa jan yemfa sekan ko ya no ene de koka issue yi ba hu se obi kotwe tuo sekan wo court there bi o mkoka ano asem it is so na ye ba ha no ma me embedi de ho atem me ye medidi ye ho atem me ye meko me since ameko bebe live bebe so se meko baby a ever say yetim Odo Bronii kra no mu didi atem me make sure say me bi ma no ndi ma Akosua atem da minye bida sabi minjimi sanso na meko baby na ye ebia Odo team Akosua Serwaa na ebia ma ebi wa beko bon se nipa ba ko bi wo frema mi nkodi Odo Bronii atem da sanso na mi nkodi ma Akosua atem ehun hia because at the end of the day me maame na mi nua ba ade na mi fanase mi nua mpo ana me ba ma wo kwa mi ntimi ndi na atem how much more se mi kodi Odo Bronii atem how much more se mi kodi ma Akosua atem me maame mi ntimi si na aboa mi ntimi fa na se endidi na atem ebe na me di makodi di Odo Bronii atem me di na se ana se me di ma Akosua se akodi na atem na bi ehia but say be yenyi one place doesn't mean say was ye ho atamfo ye ndo ye ho because issue no ye ka bi ye nka ye ni ho efio no ye nya ya ntena ho bi ye ni de Lumba ka kire ma Akosua de ma Akosua ka kire Lumba ye ni de Lumba ka kire Odo Bronii ka kire ma Lumba enti omo mi ensa ne nanim ye esi omo ntem ene no ma Akosua emfa fo nchire mu nchire me sanso Odo Bronii emfa fo nchire mu nchire o enti omo ye nyina ye nim fie at the end of the day bi kra na ye sabi ye kuntokwa hunu ebe ye be ka sa ye jimisem ne abegimi o bo se wo behwa team ba akomo no mo twa mo ho kwa de enti we ye one team ba we se as we say bo sa abeda ne ntokwa but enye sa ye nye Odo se ne nana wo kan e Odo mu na wo preach fa ne se Ashanti Queen ba ucheche mu che na mi je ye e ba na ebi obi hu se bi ya ka how even na me gya so how ka so kasa ma mani je na me say wow what is efe ma freedom so ye you anya you but oka uche ma ne hu se bia this is the whole reason tia we oka obia we reasonable person bia bet say na oka na ni beje me fa na se me ba de bia wo ye live me taiba so ba ya me tia se me tia me hu se e bia wo kan bibia na so time bi obi ka say even o check here time na so net na ye me ka just even drop your money na ampo but wanye e hwana obi e ba comment host here fair because munkasa monko muko a ewe ambejai ampa muko ya na bujai de o ntimi anu adrop ho yes but mesre nuane ne maame mo ne me sister mpanifo se we die ye ya edidi atem na nye entokwa na nye kesin na nye be ma me mbedi oba atem oba me medi be ma atem oba me ndi yonko ba atem be ma me ndi yonko be ma atem ehia yembobo ho bi yenkeka bi because yenim ho yeni asem nimu yenim ho hwe de yate no everything ni ye kabi de everything bi ni ye kabi but obi ba no kwa na court verdict no obi okra na onka em follow ye but obeka because we kwoti team A team B no no ho asem no ka me wan so na court ni wo ba ye beka ye beka so court no de o we corrupt me wan so the same corrupt place ni sa de asem oko enti me so say ye de ya court ni ye beko so ye corrupt so onye because e come Odo Bronii a fancy come Maame Akosua the same thing like Odo Bronii for beka say court ni corrupt it is a different side no mo ka say corrupt normal but my ye enjoy about corrupt news because e den ya ye beko nti se ni ye ndidi atem ye nti pese me pamachom edidi atem de ye ntwa so kwa de ye hold on kakra si ye team a ye pe no mo didi atem de hold up akudi atem nti se ye ba team a oye neutral na atem ni die nu a ne ja ya ye ne sa ni ye ja didi atem no pacho obi nka sabi me da sosu enso ne hu me da masen so
Me pacho Ben Akwaba.
Yo, Masia Babim. Mr. Me auntie, me auntie, whom me auntie no more, me auntie waha. Pacho, more for mammy walk away. Na my nyasi bia. Nana, Papa B. In fact, and you may give me respect more. I mean, sure, Asante Queen Bass on Nami Gare, but Nami Tieni Okano. Me yasa Mammy Frida, one frostro. He, akukudra, and my way enya, social media so. Omo kasa with passion. Sometimes, we do se nipa ne kasa krano, a comedy na akofa duane, adi anka first nka onye. And so adi wenti, ujina hono kasa no udidi. Sa kukudru we. They can channel it to do something a be benefit and my we are singing. I mean, kasa Ghana for nkwa. So mutu to niema ya organization me be so mwasi ya edi omo be kwa chi. Yes, and tafumi no kra omukun. Senator Chinamakra ne du ba bi omukun. Lumba NSEMSEM.
Evangelist me pacho Akwaba.
Oh, waba mami kasa na mami kasa. Mani kasa.
Yo, yeah, super. We so happy. Like, pleased to have you here, Akwaba.
Me also, Papa. With the MCC, Anna, my sister be share video. So when we send me picture the Hana, I'm say, ah, they. Until Oyerepa I'm say no, Maame Mfo, Embra me ba na me hu say me nua bema. Kasa wa ha say na me say no, Maame Mbra so na me bisa say ade na koso eja me hu me picture.
Okay.
Wachi.
Pacho I be na me de to so na me de woni Ashanti Queen. The entire me de to so na nya boni bi because sometimes no so bi bana okasa na say as time goes on no bi ba ya na onim ne wo kantina o so sign me the picture ne to so a enya boni bi ntina me de to so na me de to so say first of all na me okay na me kwa other platforms na I say atem didie no ya ye more ena na me ka say there bi say ye bedi obi atem sebi tafrache ye di ni kunu ne ma ne sa nyoma no enye fine so ena I don't want to go deeper, necessary, but enye me fo say enye nice, say be a yebeko deep sir. But na make us say like more passionate, more de kuma emano. Eya kukudro bia me de mi nyankopon de ntime yusu nyame wo masemu. A nyankopon e de amamoa. Adie bi at say also o life say ani per 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 etimi ba betie enti no sa akukudro da mo wo any platform na nyankopon e de amamo no anka asemu na wie ya na se koso no ensese bia ebewie no na etwa keke ba me de mi gidi say platform bia nyankopon de ba senke betimi aba beboa ma because say ya maame nana kunadu bie 31st women movement. Me say apart from no yen sheda ni movement bia ye obi kra na anya kese te se dia
Tupac movement
anya kese te se nia one Ashanti Queen mwatimi lidi ema edomo animu a abeye bibi kese no say ye atem didie ni free hono mo a menim say ye dan ya se nyankopon te asidachi bia no asumdue beba ana say legal say responsible and Odo Bronii entem no ene ye wo ma waria ebia memebu omokwasea ene ye wo ma soso a ebia emema bi nioma awowo kra emema nimpa anka no kware amene ma ni bia brabo aye basa ebi mu okodi omko school oma brabo aye kas basa no sa no yes sister free say wetimi agina akoam ama chese enne no said de nioma ekono said de nioma ekono emma ensese ye mobobiem ensese yesu aware biem ensese be ma bia take advantage inti na make say dachi bia mo platform no mesre say said de aye kese no nka ebekoso na mode beye bibi to say advocate ama na enye just Ghana for nkwa me gidi say koso no beye bibi kesi ama alatafo wiase afanan man nyina etimi anya baabi a umbetimi adwane abetoa enti no enye ebi Odo Bronii anase ye maame se wankwa na mom ye hu ne se ye platform bi a Nyankopon de abase because ye me de minuaba so ye nuaba ekueme example that time no se nanka group bi ti se ne amati wo ho na nkotimi kra edi ye me wo a na ye nuaba aya anka be ma na ntimi ankuno enema bebre ekonioma bi momu ni baabi a na wo hwa asemi ba ye ya ema edi Odo Bronii achi ema edi ye Maame Akosua Serwaa achi na bi wo experience enti sikie yi atem didie ni sa ne omani fi wa anka ebetimi ya benya fapimbia anke betimi ema ye betimi adwane abeto a enemremu no bema bia ntimi muye nkwase bio enu ntimi hu se mo picture eda mochi a enya temdidie enenye boni nemo na me boma baso ewa akukudru a mude kote se ma nanka ye betimi ahu ne se nka muye ma bia ebia wie ye bio nka Nyankopon de abehran a ebetimi ama nkwase ebu a ema ye komu no ebetimi ejaise ye atemdidie efri wa ntimpacho uhu picture enye boni nemum na ene papam nemum me de to se be ya enkofo be hu se ebia asem papa na meka famo na enye de bia na uhu picture bia eye boni medase
no cre we dey wadaro mame so medase se media no so no obi wo wa otwam no hu se picture nda wa no wa chechira asem no ontiye ohu ye dia kitwa bi obete no na wa form no a different thing in fact member of platform so that by the way no I am very happy and many agents so they are okay nyina no cre ye nyina ye nipa Maame Akosua Serwaa Odo Bronii omu nyina ye ma omu mienu nyina akoye se ebi a we hu no so we victim we so hu no se we victim. But the also now be a fees or a victim or hefa. He's not here. Onti mimbe yina no. And name se Vitiandra ni and neno. Kase bia nkofo bebre ate. I'm say echo around obia si o ade na we yesa ade na we yesa. Medase. Say time and some no start say bebano. I'm the only person me kasai Maame Serwaa me 24 kasa bi kire Odo Bronii me di 2 months esi wem se video na fiansa o makofa o masaima na cover kama me 2 man sorry straight say sabi me bakasa tia Maame Akosua Serwaa anambe kasa ma Odo Bronii dabi Bible say blessed are the peacemakers o si enhirane ntokwa patafo omono ye be from so omo Nyankopon ma. Blessed are the peacemakers, they shall be called the children of God. Enti no na say being evangelist a meka nyame asem no. Me sorry straight say me kokon ana me yesi. Nyame asem na we say asomdwe na say me create peace. But we say media no so na kwaya ade bi a ye won kofo bi a they benefit from the media. No matter how oba papa what ya wutufo they are benefiting no. She or he will never understand you. Never. Okay, and what can go assume by the moment now we free so now you because of benefit. A bit the higher marketplace. A bit in some way now air cosono. Omo di aye ejuma. Omo di aye ejuma. They are making money from it. It doesn't matter how pizza obeka say emra. Or shushe sika wom. Obi wo oba no wo di atema na oba no wo obokisa na ni pani abre ya jijiska ebi aye say they will pay it because na udi kankan no enipa bebre no a lot of people our women are going through a lot. O sure same way ya bana sister you can see say somebody is talking the person is going through a lot. The person is going through a lot. O sure ya wo awode kasana ebi ana ne maame wo saa ya onimu ebi ana ne papa go ede ne maame fam Into the person grow up being in abusive home. Who the anane papa de ye ne maame. Into no a ya oni woni mu. Even though we're too quiet and I want to quiet waware, but still no. Say nipa no, she's not happy for herself and she's not happy. Our na our team nankasa no. The person is not happy. Wow. Into no in fact, measure da ne wire program ankasa. Me ni problem will be I don't have problem. But the reason why I saw video no, many prayer men so me kassetia Maame Akosua Serwaa no. Sister, ntokwa na ye ko. Me support Odo Bronii. I quite remember say in same way by nyina no. These people efa mi kunu ne memba. Se mi kunu nya cancer. Ye di mi kunu atem di memba atem. Memba 3 years ago video pictures a me de ko maame penimu bi. Na maame ne di ama Ashanti Queen ne nuanom ni bi. No mu di nkwala ya tem di memba atem. Sister, me bufu ima me yusu word bi de maame no. And bare 4 days is a ubesha. Oma kofa memba me kunu way sister. Eye too much. What dia na meye? Dia me yansa meritariety. I'm a mother. Sister, memba no ma brain kwala afọ no ho ansa nyame na di omo cheme. Me ni womb. It was just a gift. In nyame de maame. Nwanwa wa America me wo kura said their doctors no. Nwanwa. I'm being a mother no. I will never allow anybody so obe bully member. Me and I'm fi say money me ko. Just insult me. Say whatever that you want to say. Why do you get innocent children involved? What should I do? I am a human being. Wosi Akosua Serwaa, Maame Akosua Serwaa na wo koma no. Inti maame ne se mundidi obi atem. Na mo mamu ndi mpenimfo atem a na wa beda mo ase a. Then ono no di omachi. Inti ende me so meritariety. Nya ade a me kwa kodi obi atem. Nya ade a me kodi we atem. Dabi the bullet will go straight to Maame Akosua Serwaa. Ebe kono ene nipa afre me no. Me be audio from omo beginning. Me body or china metwaso. Eni pa frame wo Germany no. Sister, afina me ameraho. Afina me raho. Obi obe frame biya chase. Kasa nipa ne kasa. Ebi ya himfo. Ebi ya himmanfo. Mpenimfo. We frame because omo ti audio no. They know the voice. Omo nim voice no. Inti says, wa usha ube kwane ye de watu ho. Na ye di watem. But Udi matema, o expect se min kodi wayatem. Se udi mi kuna tema, o expect se min kodi wayatem. Udi mi matema, o expect se min kodi wayatem. Of course, me di Akosua Serwaa ne matem. Obiya wo baby a ode me saseko. Se uti mi se me maye me weak point. Me kunu ye me weak point. Na so obedi matema. Me so me se Akosua Serwaa so ye weak point. Me so ma to me sase ne de abono. Ye ba sase steady na ebenya free so. What do we gain from that? We gain nothing. Sebi enye me fese being evangelist amikuta Bible. Na kase bi beden ebe pie e free manuaba. Bible say yema ye kasa anye de ye kasa anye fe. Ba edum rebi so a Bible say makwase hu se ne wo ye no ojimi wo de awo ye no. Wa hu nti no mani age se chese de awo kasa no ama makoma ayemre. Dia mekane se medase. Ashanti Queen yobi amenini ni ntokwa. Na wo ye program kra na otimi frame na makoso na nipa aba makokyerekere ne ade. Makone na yiso be twice a of frame sister, big sister prekope. Menini ni asem. Asem we by sister. Obi a wo ha bia bedi adase age se ntrofo no. Me started to ekasa kama sister se ma minute ye yanke yendua. Media no so na e wono sister. Me fa ade ento wo say obi ma me momu. Me ti America me ye adwuma me gi $2,600 a week. What do I need money for? Me de me nsa ye adwuma me very hard working woman. Anka sabi me platform no me de starti Facebook me too mafo. That is the program and na me kanya me asem. Tinkenda ya be TikTok ya nyenya big platforms ne ade say. Sabi oba papa say obetimi invite me. Metimi aba Me, I've been abused before. Domestic violence abuse. Meaning physically abused, emotionally abused. I know all the abuses in India. Well, but sister, now I say, even you using your own life experience to advise somebody, no, not optional, no biafa, no what you do with them. But the person also is going through the same thing. Well, she said the Oba Papa Utuwe, she said the Awokasa, very humble, very respectful. Just say, Nipa no kro beka ansem, what testing me so is a Frida, I'm sorry. She wasn't insulting you. You see? So beka any difference. How that you? Undi matemo. So obi say sister Frida kwhwe, sister Fefe bi to na, odo picture to na said ye wo di watem, which is obwa. Obwa o. Inti se nye adwene na medwene ya, na me ba ye na me say, that one ubewie na one say asem no kra so me ba ye mintie o kasa ye na no. In fact, me ho kra for. This is what is going on this social media. Sis, thank you so much.
Me patrio, me kakra metimi aka ne say, first of all, moni adwuma pa wa ye fiti Facebook besi dia oye. Ene se ubegyine mu ama yenua ba Odo Bronii. Why are there sanso na yenua ba Ashanti Queen so aya de eye den ya asemba obi ahia obi e de agina nachi. Me de kakra metimi aka ne say Sinka beti me nkwala adwe na nka hawa we de nka me ansansa mikuta okotodwem mesrew audio so video so anka twaso because say people will not stop and I said ya okano okani say ya on bet 29 say e be take another 1 month 2 months 3 months e be do baby no and I sebi sade we ya nyina ye ni monyam ene abusuafo ni monyam na sebi e dey to abontensa. It's not worth any amount of money.
Any amount, yeah.
Ejuma na amoyen ejuma kese a me de migidi se Nyankopon e de ahye mo nsase nka mo fa meboa Ghana mai ene ewiase afa na nyina uhu ne sa no Nigeria 40 Zimbabwe 40 bi kra ante brofo but omo ye interested enti me de nka me nkwala adwene se anka wo be ma wani akọ o call ne so a say advocating mama say wo ye da focus on that because say enyesa ye ndru bia nti we den ka me pa ocho bikuta koto dream minim say ye bufu shani bibia baba okwa say due se nipa nyina adowa nti bia no ena adwuma papa so ye nheda nsom age say ye hu results no nti ma bebre ehefie esu ma bebre go through so much. I believe say would jai enya wonkwa ye nyina ye jai ntokwa ne atemdidie ne nka ye focus on it because my ba platform so that enkrofo de o masem aba na odi tudwa na o kana enkrofo abetro madwen and I believe say that time ne so no eboa ma bebre momu decision bia omu beteki enti uhu ne sa no ebi audio obi baako fo asem aba banasa asem no e relate many pa be 100 and ani pa be 1000 ubewie na ye ose wabe boa ni pa baako be batu be hu no na many bi wo the same situation bi mu a o mafa aba free mo enti nka we de mesrew mikuta kotodwem anka wo kuta bible ne de o say ye kuta bible obi e hwe wo di etwaso ena ye kase twaso a sebi tafache eno nche se wa jimia na wa lucy fight no nemo ye sebi misre meka manka se mo fachem ye se obanyansani ye buni be oseden ye nka nasem enti de me pa cho mikuta okotodwem wa ye adwuma papa mentungu afensu munyina mukuta ni monyam kese because adwuma na amoye no se nyame nka wana tumi bi ni wacha wuntimi nyina platform ne sonche enti me pa cho hwe wadwuma papa wo yeso munyina modwuma papa amoye na monfa mo ama because ene Odo Bronii nim so bijina na chi kuma no ye Maame Akosua Serwaa nim so bijina na chi kuma no munyina no mu de smala ball manim mu de nisua ball manim enti emma na moboa enti mumyenya ase ye kuti aye ho no se be ya da chi bi no ebetimi aba be organization e be kese bia ye betimi akasesa organization we kra no e free Ghana and out of Lumba situation no and give you birth to such an organization because that we mudi jina bia president bia beboa mo or baby or in power bia ebeboa enti de me pacho me fo say vision kase wom enti mumye fa yakodie ngu ho na yen hwedache na madache yen nyina no se mema bi sisi yen ya yetimi adwane abetoa mo ye medase
Meso me da ase pa matie wasem na wo kan nyina na dia meso me di twa to ne se nyame nhyira me obi a me nhyada nye obi a me ye kekra me pa justice se on se sisi a se wo kasa wo hwe comment section a omo edi atem nyina no me wo back link a wo be kono na Maame Akosua Serwaa pictures nko a na omo di atem Ombedi atem sa but me udi matem say na ni nyina me boa no me tenase Akosua Serwaa so na me de beko straight so omu jai matem didi a jai a sister wi asekura ya de kwan but so omu njai say you cannot say ebia everybody want to be peace without justice there's nothing you say respect is reciprocal no matter what say me kura Bible no who disrespect me I may disrespect you. Me the Bible beto me discipline. That is me. Me nye hypocrite. Se wo yanso na me se me mfiu a me mfiu. Wan, Maame Akosua Serwaa ye peni, Odo Bronii ye peni. Me so me tu me ye peni. Sebi, ntokwa aye kwen me I don't gain nothing from it. Obi beba no wa ma gift na na wa so watwa na wo de ache. Uko obi de so na wo de ache, that's it. But so obi be na dream say obe disrespect o obefa wo ma obefa we assess I'm a woman of peace sana metie so mu jai midimbo a jai matem didi am so Odo Bronii Maame ne tu me fo Odo Bronii Maame she's the one who advised me say Sister Frida for the sake of nkwala nti Maame no memma omo support no pushu na won kasa ntia Maame no nti sister omo di matem sa afi na menkasa obi abehwa eyendra ne ende na master to say no a wo chene nyambo a mede beto aso nso senka enyefe enyefe se medidi Maame natem but too much eno ntia ti says me da se waka mede be kwa adwendwem why nyame hira papa me brother na wo kasa nyame hira indeed I'm very grateful to be on your program today. Thank you so much and good night.
Thank you Auntie Freedom Pacho we de ba ko pa me so meka so ne say
yo
me de ma di wo chi ache empire whatever nyina ne nyina didi mu bi watimi akompoto ho saa bedrune anka me de mesre say anka tem didi na omodi wo na so kira beto aso no menua ka jai enye hwe jai enye hwe now they focus on what you're doing empire no ni preaching na menim say nyame e ka ho why you be a better bia men je hwe biem
Matibra medase
Says
thank you so much nyame hira
It's a Frida.
This is
Doris Cafe. Mr. Doris UK.
Says mpacho medase why good night.
Pacho yo good night.
Mr. Frida. Hello.
Okay. Me pacho me do bibia se moya de Mr. Frida medase. Ye nua ba.
But the answer ante nyamrate ina na basu ya na meboa.
Medase.
O da bi sa mama lu.
Ben me pacho ko so mama.
Okay. Enti mpamacho. Sani na
ene me pamocho na kese se yenka mama mu yenka wo masemu bi na mu yemfa na afutuo maye ho
eno na ka biwa bekan mama Esther wadwe mu dopa di to aso ene to aso
me de makabia se
okay me pacho mama di me pacho Esther and pacho we
me de makabia se ene no enwi ayi Akosua Serwaa o Odo Bronii o mu nyina no nyansa sua bi eden wo ho ma me ni na nyansa sua mo pa anti
o ze senka Sister Frida ba ha nanka menua ba ho pe Asante Queen so ba ha nanka eye benya enka ha nyina edidididide wo se wi ase we na yete no ta wodi abotre ekasa ni party o wodi dede kasa ni party o ni nyina response e be pie ni pa na no yede aba wo se obia ba ye no obia so kasa ho ba beti enti yana sabe ye chelumba japade a yenya bi no yenkonya hu bi no moma yenhwe yen kasa yi na isle godan ye cha memene o ani mu okra ko fo ankrama be pam ye
sister bra
ankrama be pam ye o enti be sramu mo me fa asem we hu ma menya eno mi bi fa nkotra efie na mom yensua adepana ewo mu no tani asi tani me ba ya na first na me mabusu opanyini me nim no but nema kope mabusu opanyini tiri kwan ahu mabusu opanyini ama mahu se ne me ya next time me so meto me ne maye
yes
betara mo yefa adusuade na ewo mu no mo fa mo ye bra na yenjai ne busiana should say we be ya yemfa pa bon tai ne wa wuna chi Lumba kwa jaya nyum bibiri ye beti sa forever ya mom pa yenta busiana chi say nyame amomu eni nyansa abusiafo no nyina ne asofo mu nyina na muntimi tutu na chi ye na abaye no nyam sha momaga na because Lumba oyegana nyina dia medamo ase
entiminia sana efi yi kono wo twena yenye no say ye na afutuo we say ede mfaso ne wanya like ubo we di a wo say ede mfaso ne say afutuo be na wanya afiri hu wo update niema say wo ye no etesen because ye hu nipa bebrebe sister bra omo ye balance so omo kasa bebrebe wo problem o bebre wo problem adwuma kora wompe wo ye kwadwofo e wo ni fie na wo timu no enti these are the niema say ye afutuo maye se wa ba aburuchire no wa bra bot sen wana ma ontuo te sen ufidue na timu na te sen wo ma bebre fie kora bra wo be wura na wo jakata kora gese wo de ko dry cleaners ye wo problem ye fie enti I think say these are the things that it me solve ni bi a man me bi eniso ye jawe mu nyina to hono
Pacho Mama Lu me pacho na wo Mr. Nana. Oh me pacho.
I know what me Mr.
Ntimi me de sister obi a ye ba wala so obi ko fa lum ayi Odo Bronii AKOSUA Serwaa se mo ba sister eni oni pakro mo onfa ma because what the ba me ntwema no ya twam ya pass by that.
It is finished.
Me ba Mama Lu me pacho akwaba. Then pacho me ba I'm so honored to have you. We am penny phone to us and then me akwala so platform. I'm honored to have you. Me pacho akwaba.
Yeah, yo. The sister if you say Auntie Naa is finished now, the end I'm amazing from me. Because I said just me gusua ye kan finish now.
They say they trust us.
Sister, where me pacho o mama malu me pacho.
And o mama nkasa de na mpacho me si for.
O me pacho, mam pacho
stay me kasa. Why kasa? Yes sir. Obi e kana na
attitude be fun is finished. Ada me ho when she and sister Esther.
Oh, Debbie darling, uhunya me hi but I go to say
what is asem feed asem Maame say was yenka bi biemu a platform
Debbie hwe akoba ne say no ye sha se ne esi ye pekwan bi e befa so ma sa asem we nyina kate e ma obi akobo freedom amane amana abaso obi akobo what's her name the other name or the say Queen Asante Queen ama oma baso ama yenua no oma kasa aka afutuo ama omo so aketa oma adwene enti wo mu wie omo koye na wonya ma so no our decision is say yes we a problem yeni e was me nyime hu mfrim wo yene the old
then our officer me baba kentia is finished.
Sister.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Then our officer me baba
Debbie ye de ne e kan asam dada na wodi be wura mu.
Me was so dada nya se fe na ma be wura so.
Oh, okay, because ye nua ba kan say odamas say ma ba ne plat until I thought say afi na mo so mo ba so. What you say? Until me sorry.
Me da sister Mama Lu we de me pacho. Yeah, sorry, Mr. Akwa baby pacho.
Yeah, no sister na pacho mu nyina mo ho ye.
Nyame adom.
Yeah, ye nyina ye wo app so asem ye ba ye. Ye kwa first kwa ne ya adwene ni so na echi na be ye bru ha etro no doso. Frida ade we why ne te said the ono kra na ye ma menye sure kra so Odo Bronii Emma was so much hate like said you see ade. Waba has a see as a mammy 2 and now for bebraf all that she say is a lie. Mammy enko audio baby born in names, audio enko baby was so been a recording and what they are ban or boy chinko a lie. Mammy
no,
stop the lies on this woman.
Mamalu, me pacho where you host, but baby, I
pacho money we Mr. Ode money we me pacho.
Na no de into a casa boka yeah. Obewie no I phobia no de ko lies in the doors too much.
Sister, let's face reality here. What can say you try someone so until mommy and Tasha
me pacho Ode me pacho
me platform niana me pacho una yo
and me platform but say yeah sister who sako for Frida na Frida samba line so no samba be another trouble
how stay you patch say Frida we die
me pacho Ode me pacho mama Luna me pacho
show attitude say your platform so me utimi mama yale wo me emfa hu ni o wuti asa me ka kire no
sister don't go too much just stop it sister stop it because me need it what damn papa
Nana drop it please
opa ha wo kasa no
thank you
opa ha wo kasa wo ka bi kire no I don't know me kwa ma you want to attack me and me where was she a moderator, open so bad in life now. Sister, you're so respectful. What the attitude can ya be right? I say will be a juma. Ade. Me where was she and I may buy and I finish. Then tell the news and a few days from my watching almost 30 minutes in the meeting from the beginning. I bet John away at me by my dinner. Or no, do back one down on because all they are not dead. Casabo Compoko into what you need. Me buy and make me attack him. And some be all chatro trying to make us them now work and what you are born a reunion. It's a lie. What anyone would not platform to platform area ni pagine and I'm amenable to oh you say. But it's a lie. Why not Mammy not to be audio why in a young. And then never if will be our friend what all is a lie. Yeah, you know, I neutral. Me Odo Bronii dinner asam na aba. The way aircon is getting too much. Shadi anna ne man cry no more attacking. Move on the platform. So me can say enya cry so also more attacking him because in Kwala is a no. But it's too much. At the end I asam na aba. Usually I was say Maame nkasa. Usu Odo Bronii nkasa. But I say I was asking my Odo Bronii Maame abeda was. It's my many dear. How did you get contact with them? I didn't have any be a young quarter, which is not good. I dear way a very aqua see that bay. A whole year, 10 years near that so tis Lumba NSEMSEM. Ade. And one asem was a canwasem de Biana. Had the attempt everywhere, Nipa Unimno, Ukasati said, Ukunam platform which then I sit said, yeah, one and a wujinaho. Utimi come a me asem like as a no niho. Me, I sent to him, de be a fire more on platform so. Jombo your platform near the BIM machine because attack and I don't know what's over the Odo Bronii Ataman as so could be at. As I'm now, but when you move a BI, they be attack here and there. I said the free that non pay to pay. I draw my meat and said, yeah, one not. Ojina ho no kwa na je maame na ya wo no na ya je ne to ne nsem gu maame ani ma say all because of what we so support to you which is right so be support but it's too much adai woman na edidi wata ba betima ba bedi wo so de be kwa maame say wa ne so a adai na kakasa edit tro ko fifa audio si babu but said here asama wo kan na ne kra me while you are lying me I know him me freedom what that bebre say happen na hu no almost 16 years in a minute from Facebook to here. That's what she does. Na no de onim said you see kasa. Inti asamba wabeka ni de nianam and de wabwa. It's too much. Enya mami we asem kwa na wadi atemo. That's what she does. Since oba social media so. Obi asamba wotimi de eche no aba no abepa chew. Adai. Odo Bronii kwa menya sure so obeye so on heti. Maame kura so passion than Frida. Adai. That's a tipen bi e kire na se te said your name ne na atwi ni kunu ne ho kura bi. Ah, twitwa tro na oye tutu ni dan tre ni da de no gina yi den adai. Ah? asa ba ha ya hu kronkron na den ne ka wusu abegina na me ya twaso because o ka de wo penti no you like it etro ne dos ye nyina de ekoso sister enye de bia Odo Bronii de bia Maame Serwaa ya bre we have a lot trending issue bebre na ekoso ade na no nko de bia gina so sa etro ne dos and that people have believe her say one na e ka ne quarantine onam ohun sa wo ka na otete o account bear 1000 obi a mefre no no ane ba ha obi a nkofre no no ane ba ha oba no hu so ka bia mara no abefo no abe ka ne vaka no awie nipa ni nyina adwen se ono nko ade ne na ye ne kure no agya hokọ ofiri ho na okọ another plan no akọ de no okọ saa no ye what was say na na so Maame na ba beda wa ede na obeda wa se ana so obeka cho se mmedi de yi ata ha adan obi asemi enya ye ka bi wa fa ne se world cup na wa gu ni pani ma se here and there no akofre mayi e na oware ko se ase ansemi kwa akokwa yanka senka Lumba mpo na nke wase e bashi no because one na epe ma wo kọ ha so at the end of the day no dey akọwura Maame Serwaa ti no wagu na ni ma se no wasi from ko adan unim ne wa hefa ada me na kra me kwa na me ka che nkofo se ni kunu no mo se wanya cancer ni kunu bi anya cancer eye ntokwa na omokun e na omunyina keke bi kire omo but Frida ye too much ya no say o kan kro but she lied too much she lied otimi for mo asem the story I was say ukọ ne platform ni nya make up story no create no abeka yes sometimes e be your Afutuo but she can create a story and say it how the obeka said ni create no oka so ahu or lie that people don't know
na tuacha ba amalu
etwani de we a wabeka yi enya de o wie o timuka se wawie wa ho radi nyankopɔ muka se mumu kan no wawie okay yanko so we ni enhwe so obetwa so se de wo kana me asante kwen mo de biom me tu omo fu se mo na mo de bia mo ba mo nka asem ne se de city anase mo stop attack Odo Bronii na omo so aba na ba enu na manto kwa na etuo ntwa but omo so no mo so didi atam bi ade na ye bofu wesi ni nyina enyo Maame Serwaa nkwa group na ewem so eba life at the same thing omo nyina omo ye ye me enya ni se de Maame Serwaa attack kwase ye ka Maame ne na eje attack more than Odo Bronii nya we mu mpo na attack na wanpo na if you not to go by one so obi attack na no because we mu see Frida no no mo attack no but no so on attack omo back we be come Maame Serwaa so why ode ayi na ebidi watem Miss Royal ne ayi lady back no queen ada na ndidi o ma se Maame na me de be ko ne so because na ni my form na adi tietia form de bia ade uni ne wa he said one person ebedi di Odo Bronii ada na wafa Maame we pese wo dragon sa ade oh usta me da sia
na papa bi se midin wati midin na si midin na me de da se wati ase pa
jaja
Mama so ya dance bebre se utimi ebesrai me dance I really appreciate you mo ye juma papa mo koso nye juma papa said there wo kan nka ye nyina yetimi eyi disrespect ni free mo because se bi ta fa ye Maame Akosua Serwaa wa bobra dem many asset na ko enye easy dem many
audio nese eyo na danfo bi na be try video na de aba na nkrofo frafrem obi am friend she just making it up obi am friend nka hwe kire ne person can say Maame ni put he said be two bra meanwhile it's a lie. It's a lie.
Are you there? Nana kwasi you there?
Pass ade na nto ne so same as wo mom beka
so mama na nka sengwe
eyo Odo Bronii ne kum Lumba bia Lumba oyale na obi anim so wawu but the bia person who create that na de she Maame ni so two bra na de ende and Maame na danfo ya bo na se say Maame na danfo Maame no your life no any obi anim no and I had to be a bit my baby be small we have a creative bibi no aye so na tro no twa settings bibire wo iti adai na kwa na yadra ko Facebook yadra gi ukunu sa nya nenne ye bedra
da sem we be twa pa de
be ye betu champagne
yana ayi Emilia bro brasem ba ojita na ni accident time bi sa me no that time no ba me platform so ojita na nim go na me ni o blocking me ameso me blocking obi asem ba onya botre no ha na ni ɔno so ɔdragi saa me fighting the back ɔne me kɔ ho nyinaa ɛkyerɛ no ɔba bɛpa akyɛw sɛ maame bi na ɛbaa ne nkyɛn na ɔbɛka asɛm no kyerɛ no ɛso no wagu amilia burobura ne maase awi na wagya wɔ kɔ nti nya maame sɛ ɛwɔ asɛm wei na free day ɛyɛ saa ne mu wayɛ foto bia saa na ɔyɛ de bia saa na ɔyɛ obi asɛm ba yɛn nyina ɛka bi ba yɛn mfa obi asɛm ɛnyɛ ne so personal attack in the name of obi about the mu abɛka asɛm na kyerɛ wonti no ɛwɔ so ɔbɛtena ase wonim kasa nti na waka agu hɔ na wagu nipa n'anim ase na wagya hɔ kɔ ɛnyɛ fɛ wɔn yɛ de bi yɛ wontimi na since ɛnra me sɔle me ne nia na ɛwɔ ha ahomakye 5 no wɔ life anadwo a mekɔda na wɔ life wontimi na because social media ntokwa this pressure wuni saa I say wuni say nipa n'ani adin dum camera now no one anim the operating because it's so stressful to fight on social media wuni saa
yɛdara no mpanyinfoɔ ne ɔmo mmɛso asɛm mu ma asɛm bu twa sɛ 6 months yi ɛnyɛ easy o
bɛn ne sɛ ɔmo bɛka ɔmo yɛ so ebedi ɔmo atam ɔntu ɔmo so ɔmo soro obi ate ne bɛɛ bi dwi ne ho
ɛne mabalu yɛ si odi ma na bɛka asɛm bu na etu ntwa Mamalu. Refra woman in na ni omu nyina ni nkobo.
I can't me to a memo be mammy dear me do be as my betas and by the me yes I trending issue na ma fana make can once. But free the Timothy to me castle be about dear obi as and no betas no guni penny massy. Oh, we are not I will be a dimay with the monkai be la bread then why then time na me nyasa because they know the be la bread na happy and some akesi o mukato gay so nya ni hwe all because be na abeka ni pa ho asem nti we so ogu na ni
okay mama Louie what dia obetimi afre obati wa Asante Queen His Royal Brantia Hene Sabato sagrofo we gina ananka one day what dia to omfo se wo ma
o ya me ibusa ma fire o busa wo dia na me fanya o even week im kana me ko masem some ba monka the important thing is going now. It's not attack anymore. Don't attack anybody.
Ma, wouldn't say we. Yeah, ma, wouldn't say we are here and Profopa woo because in your bonnet and then Mamma Obesu crow, Mamma Rehopa, or Casimir no, so I feel sooner or sooner. I feel not by what I can't be as a Yabu in a bum. Oh, atena ya se ye kadiagro no. Why we abekosa
you put 2-3 weeks ago. Or so for my me or better I was abso mo media. Asem we ya meka say wabo me judia or so of evangelist so called evangelist. So abro me or that record so munkoti.
Dabi ma wo dia me Matias yo. Se we ma.
No ka che ekesi nkrofo so twitwa trotongo. Wo ka bi chena na osu. So asem ya me meka bia ye wa wasem ade ba na.
Enti ka wa ye mame panyini dia. Nka fra wo nyina bo ano na ye mpa
so. E mu dia ya.
Omo nyina Brantia Hene Sabato hwan Asante Queen His Royal all the royal
ka metwa bo mo a obi anu a woti di obi ya na oye because obi anim di onye free mu nti obi anim di oye obeti wase anope ma fire no wakofa bayi brawumia yire di abeto ho ne ye kwa attack maame no. You guys are so selfish. Some of fight maame no but you don't care about nothing. And run say mo ye di matama mo se nka mo nti no maame no na de bia yemfa na nim nya twapia ni na tem. For what reason? Wouldn't say wakofa maame na ba last time. Emma jollof say be didi na tem. Why do you go bring the man papa na maame na say picture beto achi biem? What did the picture to for the end?
Because ma asem we make and they say omo dey go rap politics mo.
I said na ya be di na tem ba me to go politics ko ni mo hwe. Or because wakofa my papa na yire na ba beto nti maame we
asem ko pay you did despite accept you did one atem you did like the way the thing is going there me slow
nyina hu da bia me ka ho asem me say sem konku papa fo yakofa mu be say woni evidence bia show say omo ne na machire say nka say nsakasi o say whatever na okeka no e me bom afo mo tu wachi wo be ka omo asem afa evidence bra ni ehun say we no ma ye nti na wo attack om but the be assumption na akofo ma beto ye say omo ka ho ye say omo ka bi kwa say omo nimu de wo ka no mpo ho twe
ni tia me misro ni say ebia be koi
Ben.
Yes bro.
Okay, so I'm sorry to jump into this for now.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
And yes, me pese obeto ade o kana so ba. how we talk, okay, on a platform, not this platform. It is a social media thing.
Yes.
And the way, and I say, senior, assemble free obi ano ebebano. That is how it shows how matured you are as a person. Okay.
True.
So if someone is speaking, yeah, and you involve into the matter for the issue to prolong, it would never end.
You're absolutely right.
It will be a back and forth matter. Therefore, if you decide not to speak and the other party continue to speak while someone is quiet, it makes the person speaking look like a fool indirectly. If someone is wisdom or wise here, the person will understand what I'm saying. The thing is, banters on social media sells a lot. Okay, so what Mama Lu is because Free, that is my name. I mean, she bears my surname anyway. Frida, she bears my surname. Medini a man free. The thing is, whatever banter that goes on, why do you think some of the media personnel do what we call beefing? It is something to sell to gain.
Yes.
That is what, I mean, sometimes when we sit behind our machines or our computers, we can see all that is going on. We read. Ebia, wa uti na eyo se obi kasa odidi atem. Hwe atem didi wo hwe edrechri. But it is only when the mind decides not to respond, that is when it will reduce the gain that the person is receiving. Because again, some of them are fans. Obeti asemna Mama Luka na Frida has got different accounts, which you and I, Krampono, we might not know.
I don't know anything.
Exactly. If you dig deep, it might be that it is true or false. But the thing is, like I said earlier on, yeah, no any kasano, especially when it comes to insults. It travels. Auntie Naa, more social media no so no. Whenever you see or you hear, say obi akoka same way, ebi kra na hu, but what do? You try to do a research to find out where the matter is rising from.
Yes.
It makes the person gain. Because again, the person makes profit out of what you are coming to watch.
For sure.
We, I mean, Nana will tell you, for us, we are always behind the scene and watching what is going on. So some of us, we don't talk much. Yeah, we are in the media. And we are in the deep down of the media to see. Sometimes we even decide to block certain people, their undertone and their accounts without them even knowing. Yeah. So please, whenever there is banters on a platform, if the host can drop the person, the host should do it straight up. Internet earlier on, time na insults say kokosono. Yeah, I knew, say, we on this platform will have more members coming in. That's why I was just here watching. The matter doesn't end because it is selling. We are in a class now.
I got you.
You see, now the class is quiet. Yeah, that is how media works. And you say the panel, Sebe. Or did you attend because you're emotional? Or did you attend because of a say, onya di obenye film? Senebe obi beko akote abe bantano. We call it banta, and with the serious one is the beef. And when it escalates, it tends to be violence. And when it tends to be violence, that is where the people meet outside the media and turn out to do more dangerous things like killing and mebuni. Last 3 weeks, Namu London, Costco. I was listening to a lady. A guy died in Germany. I'm not sure if most of you have heard it.
Oh, DJ. Also,
Yes, sir.
Mama Lu was saying something. I'll be seeing with Nkama Yananka go on with your submission.
Mama Lu had finished.
No, when she was almost done. Wamananka saying we na be seeing. So Oba Mukasa Oba.
The reason is we were about
just cutting her off. Let her finish.
We were about actually ending our program. But I will allow Mama Lu, because to be honest with you, I will allow Mama Lu to conclude. But then, if she goes back and forth with whatever is going on with Frida, that is when we are not ending. So I'll allow her to proceed. Then I'll jump in for our concluding period. Then we can end this. So Mama Lu, if you are there, I'm so much happy to listen to you. Or we are so happy to listen to you, ma'am.
I don't know, say if you guys will allow me to talk, let me see for me.
Pacho say.
Me pacho Mama Lu.
Oh, what am I manning we make what I make me that se pass some umame kwa ma.
Any DJ. Oh, Kasa back and forth, Mama Lu, but no, you're back and forth. You guys should advise Frida to take her medication and stop being a silly woman over here. Bye. Matsia, I want to know for no they drew, right? And also advise her and say,
Miss Row. So make us a cracker.
Pacho, thank you, Mama.
Yo,
me pacho Miss Row, not Mama Lucas and Mami Miss and say okay, say
okay. Oh, Pacho manen kasa wa Miss Row manen kasa. Okay.
Me pacho.
Ben saboko die Benji saboko.
Oh, sweet auntie, we now swear.
Okay. Yanko poando. Me pamocho me da sama mama sa akonya we. Nana papa bi. I will say me this Lumba issue by although I'm more TikTok there, but this Lumba issue by and I'm starting to make us all TikTok so. And I was surprised. Me who say this fight going on no. And ye again womo. Ye so life na ye conquer for life so kasa.
True.
Me who say we are fighting for ourselves, our future, our marriage. I say because this is about marriage. Obi abewura marriage. Ye maame mo ye nuanum bia face the same problem. Even it's not say Ejayo still now it's still koso enkofo bebre akwaji nkofo kunu mo no mo tete. Is this thing is going on? Me de them I say this. I don't talk against Bema or Famema no. On one decision. But as a matured man, no, you should know how you may know a form. You should know how you do your things. I didn't say Mikasa. Selum Batiasino. And Okofa, a friend say Priscilla. And I can't be uncle only Priscilla wo yen and be oh Priscilla, my so damn Tinemono, mamma, Monty, Mempersex, maybe only me about Nasa back and forth. Yes, see a Gosia. Come just like a way Yankabecosu. But this man, no, it's me any Okofa bar, I want a Yurechi, and Nakako Winsia. I said, Obana Betty Fion in a Yure SC94, Mutas, and girl, can be at that time, no, sir. What you're saying, there are some things be a Meme teacher, a bammy. Me who say into some society, I'm in a critical tree. That's a big Ghana. Knock of I see it, my man. I be a cost says so be Echo fa ukunu na wote a country na obi kofa ukunu dia. Or rice e chine bi se ukunu ni ho a. Wana so ukunu kra no abeg japade acho beti or rice ono no ene obete japade e bia mekasa kra ya tokra na bia na onim ho hwe. Enti ye man na ye ni abra ye kasa. I'm not getting anything from TikTok because my TikTok can kra me nya kra me hu dem de ye. Minim yusumpo. But we are fighting for our marriage. Our children do you know what this in normal way akoso. Me oba girl 20 years. I'm not me Ghana ni. I'm not saying say Ghana for me nyina enye. Ebi nye me kunu say he's part of the good ones. And I'll never talk about Ghana for me. But you see, I'm advising me about Basim and Ghana in Bema. Do you know why? Me di nyame ma dumu makonya Bema oye. But Ghana for me 10 emu 2 na good emu 8 another bibi oho. Enti se me to we se me
my advice because me ba no e bia na ho konya me kunu ni bio no konya yi na chire na ba be problem ma me ka se Kwasi Bronii ye no but Kwasi Bronii ti krom ha onim se emra ye adwuma nti Kwasi Bronii ma me ware entry to say the Lumba treaty ni AKOSUA Serwaa no because onim se ne krom emra ye adwuma because say mo say UK and America nka say mo nka ntimi nkoso Ghana ye krom no bribery and corruption na doso emma peace in Ghana nti bia nse de bia ye kontoko social media so because the truth na peace no Ghana no nukre asa Ghana nukre asa until we are fighting for our women Ghanaian women because she see our sisters say she married apa Ghana say so we no kunu ye japade a say when to me improve say bia me kra receipt we am say me ni kunu ye ya who kunu pa no ma obi o pa o ma obi and you know it's going to go against yem ma ya kan ya no to masa no mo e koso no ya koso because say she see as me do you know why ma Nana papa bi yen say di ehutum say ma the reason why mema tim ko manim chen yen say yen ye wo yetena fie hwe nkwara ye ma sacrifice adwuma to ho e ko hwe ye ma etena because I don't know me maybe ma ofufro Ghana ni ma wo me sacrifice me ka say okay papa ko adwuma na me hwe nkwara no Ghana ni ba betima tena before ne ba benyin 2 years no asa nyi nachi asa obiem ese bia no wo ntimi nya adwuma nko wani mu nti I don't know the day na say me so be ka kire me say and am say me sacrifice ma me ba tena fie hwe me banti no wo ba be ka kire me say me ntimi anya prove am say me ku na ye na say wo sisi me oba no ma sacrifice ma be man nti bedu time bi ne say amra wo yom de aba no e bedu time bi no say amra wo be ma akwakwa say okay fine this year some say ye ma ye ntimi show and this year me either say we ka say na me no be wara ba me wo because me wona matena fia mentimi nya adwuma anya japade de enya me wo sa decisions no take you Ghana no and so many nsensem baba Ghana it's not going to help us women share nana papa we should fight for ourselves I was say man no you fighting for ourselves because there's Ghana for men man sebi Ghana for pen for ni bi ehhehemra they don't think about read the women because one first say man no ye no sisi an ye madie in ekoso Ghana and this same men are treating some men are treating women bad. Some men treating ma bad ekoso Ghana bibia samra mo de beto si yan ye man yan sorry entia samra na is going to go against us because some men sacrificing me sacrificing me ma entina fiehwe nkwala me no wo nsia enso na mtefio because sister ma wo 2 years masa anyem foforo masa wo tan be menya kwan akwakoye adwuma na me de asi dan that me say wo mom na be adwuma de asi dan no na me so me hwe fiehwe nkwala nkwala wanka so do ma be wiase what is wrong about this now what ba catch me say me anya prove and show say me ni me kunu prove ne nkwala na me wo na mtena fiehwe o mo no that's the proof. And you know say obi no obanyam awo akwala obetimi di akwala one day no asoro say me kwa adwuma ja akwala no ho it doesn't happen like that. Into society we na ekoso no say if we the woman we don't fight for this thing now